I am here vibing with one of the most entertaining, charismatic, and dynamic selector in Jamaica's music space. His parents named him Richard Bailey, but we know him as
Richie Feelings.
what's the dealings?
How you feeling?
General.
Lord of mercy.
Mama Jack, man.
Damn you.
So good, sir.
Yes, sir. Teach them, man.
You're trying to make a message reach, you know?
Reach them.
As the general once said.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Yes, Sir Bailey. Talk to us. Early life. Place of birth.
Well, my place of birth is Arnett Garden, Kingston 12. A place called Concrete Jungle.
So, good.
A scheme called Havana. Havana Phase 5. Don't know the home of Ika Mouse.
Yeah.
You understand? In the community of George Pangs, Cridley Rangs, Peter Metro. You understand? We grew up there. Our place that.
Be stars.
Be stars amongst us, Bogle.
Yeah.
You understand? You don't know Lali, them and you see me, even at one point, Dominic.
That, right.
Who said Dominic favor boy, George?
Yes, man. How many brothers and sisters?
Well, currently, I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters.
You said currently.
Currently, right, because I lost my younger brother, the last one.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, man.
Yeah, and that from about 2009.
Okay.
And then I had a next brother who was had a twin sister and brother.
Oh.
Yeah, Paul and Paul.
Oh, so I saw a twin come from them. Oh, okay. You see the pre, man. You see the pre. You see the pre. Cool, man.
Yeah, man. So currently now, we have 2 sisters alive and 3 brothers.
Yeah, and I know Lady Sandra, mommy passed.
Yeah, man. Great Sandra, man. 2020.
My condolences, man.
Yeah, man. The whole world knows Sandra, you know.
I know, but we can refer to her as Lady Sandra.
Yes, man.
It was the old man, Father's Day.
Yes, man. The great Everton.
Great Everton. Doing well.
A.K. Barker.
Yeah, man. It's a blessed vibe.
Yeah, man. Great father that, you know.
Yeah, man. Definitely, man. We attended school.
Melrose Alley was, you know, my basic school was Sister Cole Basic School. And when I say Sister Cole, you know, it's a school that we depend, you know, in a Jungle Greenwich Road.
Oh, okay.
You understand? And then we leave there and we go Melrose Alley, a 3 little Q Road. And from that, we start work. I would say, oh, I want money. It's like, I always wanted to be an entertainer. So it's like the school thing, a 9th grade, it stopped for me.
Grade 9?
Yeah. Grade 9, it stopped.
And that was because they say you want to make some money.
Right, I just decide say, I always want to be, you know, like a man want to be welder, a man want to be mason, a man want to be, you know, a mechanic. I just always have entertainment is my
entertainment. Yeah. Before we pick up the entertainment journey though, what was it like growing up back then in Arnett Garden, financially speaking though?
Well, you know, like how everybody have a story where them tell about this one shoes and, yo, me used to hungry and, yes, you say, I'm fat.
You never used to hungry?
I don't know about that.
Oh, okay.
You understand? Because I love grow me as I always tell people. I grew up with my granny, I grew up with my great granny, I grew up with my grandfather, I grew up with my mother and my uncle. You understand? So, we never know what it is like, that hungry something there. We hear people tell us so. We grow with love. We always grow when them always tell we one thing, stay in the yard. I want parents that tell us stay in the yard, they know say, you know, have to go out, they go look it.
Right.
Them go look it for we.
Food was on the table.
Always.
Nice.
We know about, you know, your Sunday and a Friday, you know, say, them the cook on Friday, Saturday a soup day, Wednesday I either stew peas or, you know, rice and peas or something. You understand? So, at them way that we grow.
Yes, and you know, Arnett Gardens in recent times have made, you know, the news for reasons that are not always positive. What was it like back then as it relates to the era being violence prone or volatile?
All right. You know, we were born 1978. So we saw a lot of things growing up as youths. And, you know, one time Rima was a space where them say it was a labor right era. You know, the political affiliated, we say, oh, we live a jungle and Rima. So our community was always a community where, you know, sometimes them war with them one another. But people in the community know who them are war with. You never have to worry, say, That man never do anything.
Right.
I used to work at National Bakery, right? And I used to have to come out at morning time like 4 o'clock. And my grandfather used to carry me to work for most of the part. Every morning, we used to drive a Datsun. You understand? Anybody know about Datsun?
We know that's it.
Right, so a blue car. I understand? I remember say, more time it a give problem, I push it until I favor the car. What my grandfather this. Me I say, boy, daddy, I can't walk in the man say, I want to, where I go on, you don't walk. Yeah, man, so jungle we play so we only give it up for nowhere.
And you made mention that you started working early. Okay? So it's
Early.
about grade 9. You were about what at them time? About
14, 15.
14, 15.
Yeah. And that was by choice.
Yes.
You understand? I try welding. And when I try welding, you know you have to put on the thing over your eye.
Flash.
And that's up the flash, me swim my blind. See?
Look that road, brother.
And we used to learn trade at Brentford Furniture.
Oh, okay.
Brentford Road used to have a furniture place. Right, where Dr. Ford used to own. And we used to work at Raymars Furnishing too. Down at town. And fire me one morning, come reach late, you know. Fire me, you know, come late one morning. See? But me used to work there too. Me used to work at Case Roofing.
Okay.
At upon Dunrabin.
Well, if I look at hustling,
Understand?
man.
And then me used to work at Quickie Rex Scaffolding from Maxfield.
We are told Richie.
I say again, then me used to work with the next brother to learn mechanic work named Gilly. From them time, they know say left a pull and right a tighten.
Right.
You understand? So we weren't a youth where lazy. Because you see, once you sit down and beg,
Yes.
you have to become problem to people. It's always good for have your own.
Yes. And then eventually you ended up at National, you said?
Yeah, National. I work at National for like 6-7 years.
Okay.
Yeah,
Cool,
man. 45 Arfree Road.
What were you doing at National?
I used to work at the sales department
Okay.
where the bread come over from one part, we unload it. I used to work in the bin and I used to work on the truck.
Okay.
So we used to deliver bread and we used to
Pack.
pack bread.
And pack.
And yeah, so we used to load the bread truck. Then we used to see all of them van that we used to see on the road. We used to work on that and we used to work in the bin car. We turned father very early too,
Yeah,
1997. You understand? At 18 we turned father.
18.
Yeah.
Read an article in a Glean,
Yeah,
I see
man.
at 17.
So I still had that, I still had that region, the 17,
Yeah.
18 man. So you don't know we turn responsible. Long time. So as a responsible young teen, we'd have to do what we have to do. So any work is work.
Yeah, and not only that, you know, normally we get you young as is a single youth. A twin you get one go brother.
One shot. Yeah, man. Richard and Orita, man.
How was that? You know, adapting and adjusting to fatherhood at such a young age?
Alright, they say living in jungle, as they say, the violence. So me working at National and going to work in the morning is like a couple of my friends them dead. And like me, I said to my baby mother at the time, I said, you know, so I want a youth to live on my legacy. Because me not have nothing, you know. When I talk about legacy, because you're young and I say, it's not like when you hear some man talk about if you reach certain age and you get the youth, you get it.
Yeah, I get it, right.
It wasn't that. Me, I say, me can dead one of the morning them. Because I be a young youth, me say I dead.
Oh, okay.
You see me? So I succumb me because I know I say, yo, me need a youth. And she did on contraceptive at the time. And she go do what she do, take some mojo herb and some things and cleanse out her system. And instant,
Boop.
youth come. See? So that getting when she tell me that a twin, I still never believe. Because I say young, I say, I know she pregnant and thing. First stage, you know, when you know her belly was 3 months, they must try to say, boy, you know, you in a wrong tube and Pam me have to reach down a town, reach down a Orange Street and I buy 90. Wrong size I buy it to because I just see the first woman. Say, 390. Yo, I be mother thick and thing. Yo, I buy slim 90. It never work out.
Yeah.
I couldn't carry them back. You know, we couldn't carry it back. So yeah, being a father at them stages, frightened. When I say frightened, as in proud. Nobody couldn't talk to me, me get twin. And we couldn't afford the pram at the time. But Here I go at comprehensive. The first time when time she have because we used to have to wake up early in the morning if you go get number. When you go to clinic.
Yeah.
Any man who live in a garrison know you have to go early. I mean I tell you about 3 o'clock in the morning, me that I live over Havana, go through overside to reach a Slipe Road. Because them time they know you could have walked through Hopeful, that a Hope Village there, so
Right.
poor house there. You could have walked through there so them turn in a Tarrenton Park and reach over there so and there the gate and get the number. Me never get number 1 yet. You can't get number 1.
Yeah.
Me never know nobody will get number 1 yet. Always 6, 5, 7. That you get. See it? So one of the morning now I go with her. I'm get you quick. People them stand up and applaud because me and the hungry father there. 1 million baby mother. And no father there. People them say, no man, we need to see more fathers over here. So it's like a mold, being a father mold me into becoming an adult and being responsible.
Yes.
You understand? Because we grow with the parents, you know, with mother and because my father never did it.
Okay.
You see me? My father is a different case wherein a woman tell lie for my father got prison. For a crime we never commit. A prison I go meet my father. So all of them things that will happen now is when inquiry come out. I remember say it was inquiry before X News. Right?
X News my kids still, but we
Right?
hear about inquiry.
Yeah man, inquiry. So inquiry is a thing when we read about my father's story because the queen free my father, you know.
Okay.
Yeah man, the queen free my father. That's why I'm not too like liar. You understand? I'm not too like liar. But them sentence my father for hang.
Oh, death row.
Right? Death row. My father gets sentenced to hang. First place, I see my father Spanish Town prison oval. And when I see my father, God me see. Yes, I watch God. When me at 10.
Yeah.
Then, second time, I got GP. Third time, I go down there and look for him and I say, yes, we can't expect you to know. I bring my baby mother down there.
Oh, okay.
I work at National. I bring bun go down there. Then, bring bun go give my father and thing and say, I'm take my father. I bring bun for you, you know. So me mother here, you know. I say, woman here, you know. Me and her, you know. Yeah, man, my father. So yes, we can't expect granny now. And thing I must say, yeah, man. I'm my father. So it's like, next time I go check him, you me have a bring up. You see me?
Yeah, wow.
But it's a man who every birthday, him send me a letter.
Oh, okay.
So even though he wasn't there in the flesh,
Keep in touch.
the relationship was always there with me and my father.
Nice.
And my mother never tried black them thing. My mother bring me. You see me? So me always have the love there with family.
Nice.
You see me? So me a family person, I'm family oriented wherein I don't know about every man because you know me can talk about my parents and the next man can say, oh, all my mother, you all my father. You see me? And it's like them have a bitterness to carry. Me not have none of that. I just pay love with my family. See? But when it come on to me youth them now, that's a different case. Because you know, any man can get a youth.
Right.
But you know, understand, say, being a father is a 24-hour work.
Yes, sir.
It's a job where you don't just put it down and say, I can't bother.
Yeah, I feel bad.
You understand? And that's now you turn man. You don't expect your father for your mind your youth and your mother for your mind your youth and I talk about go on your granny and you see me? Daddy me hungry. One your mother, one your granny. You see me? Them come to the king. I remember you know, we as man are king. But every man knows say them are king. And you have to go for your crown as man, you know.
Yeah, brother.
You see me? So a thing like partner is a thing where do good for me. There was a lady named Mother Richie down a jungle. Mother Richie partner me use and buy me baby clothes them. See, when I work at National, I get 15 bills a week. See, and I chose $700 out of that for partner. See me? I have a lady named Sharon. Me and Sharon partner I chose 5 bills. Sharon partner run 18,000. Mother Richie partner run 10,000. I mean I chose 2 bills each year and 5 bills. You understand? So a long time we in a partner thing. Because you know no matter about bank with your partner during your plan, the work of bank of the partner plan. We're not going to that. Mother Richie partner me a deal with that Sharon. You see me? So, them things that I could learn to save a long time because, you know, we never have nobody where, we have an auntie overseas we used to bring clothes, but one Christmas, no clothes no come. And that's why I know I turn big man, you know, when I have 15 because me well plan out the suit them now and I say, yeah man, auntie I will bring 3 suit and 2 Patrick wing. See? I remember Patrick wing around the place them time in the 90s. And think 2 Patrick wing I plan out and I say, yeah man, we have a Prince because Prince was our party place down a jungle.
Oh, okay.
They used to have a little Wopland where we have swing song or something where Prince have him gate and you charge in the same because you have a little money and you go in there so. See me, our dance that. See? So we are going there so. And I say, okay. No clothes no come. No shoes, no pretty dan. Remember them time there? You used to have to put the shoes on a piece of paper and mark it out. So send that foreign. I remember say we used to have a crew down a jungle named Contact Crew. Remember them used to, if you watch Bogle interview, I tell you about Contact Crew. You understand where? I'm going to people phone line.
Right.
50 people in a 1 yard away if you talk to them family for 10, 15 minutes. See me? Or we got a jam in tell.
Okay.
See me? So, you don't know. That's how we used to talk to the family. We don't have a cell phone them time. They have some people alone of that.
Yeah, man. And as before we move on, I have, seen the posts that you make on Instagram particularly, interacting with the youths, brother. You understand?
Yeah, man.
And with Lady Sandra before she passed and with the old man the other day and something. So I realize the family is a big thing here for real, man.
Yeah, man, it's a joy. It's a joy. Because we don't have that enough in the country.
True. Funnily, I think that is where a lot of the issues facing the country started with the breakdown of family.
Every youth need them father. Every youth need them father. That's why a woman must start give man jacket. Give the youth to his right father. Because most of the youth them in a society, when them are 18, they realize that them are the right man and them father. Because a man reach a foreign go on farm work and make it.
Yeah.
And then he must say my file for youth.
Right.
And they check it out. 5 of them on a film one. You understand? So every youth need them father. So that's if we start talking about that, it's sure.
Right, that may I say so. So the world know Richie Feelings as bad selector.
Yes.
Top class entertainer.
Yes.
I think that is important. Every man can go play a song, but you
true.
are true and true entertainer, brother.
Definitely.
You said that music was you wanted to
Passion.
entertain from youth.
Definitely.
What was the thing or the things back then that really and truly solidified the idea in your head say, this me want to do down the road?
I used to be, the matter about class clown, we never used to be no clown. We used to be the comedian.
Okay.
We used to be the entertainment. Right. Everybody who used to go Melwood knows say once you see Richie come and go so. And start beating chest, a problem. And start beat a desk. Once we start beat the desk, a problem. Everybody on the 2 shift, because Melwood have an evening and a morning shift.
Okay.
You understand? So any shift we go up on, we that. You understand? So everybody knows that even Ragarugi used to come around and Melrose,
Famous Ragarugi.
Yeah, man. Remember Tasty's concert?
Right.
Tasty's concert used to be a place where Ragarugi used to go every time it keep. There is Ragarugi. See me? You see me link stink, me link, and chew off him shade. And people them chew back him shade on him. See? So, them man are full of history, so Ragarugi is a man who used to come and wear a clash. Brother Melrose, remember, from them time they know Ragarugi, And nobody bother than me, I baddest thing.
Baddest thing.
And we used to DJ about mother. See me, from anybody who live a jungle know say, me never lose a mother clash yet.
Never lose a mother clash.
Nobody tell me about my mother. Oh, your mother mad Sandra. DJ about my mother. Once me start DJ about for them mother. Dead. We used to write if you notice, Carly Smith Drive, the gully.
Right.
So up at Havana, the gully start from right up at the tank there so.
Right.
So right down at Havana front, so you used to sit on the and call it Gully Splash. Remember you have Ghetto Splash, right? Gully Splash. When you say Gully Splash, be a man come in and me and the crowd. And we are DJ about everybody mother. So from them time there, we know we are the entertainer.
Yes.
So we love music from them time there and me that try farm a sound. Zine and I got Shelly Power Records and buy my first 12-inch.
Oh yeah?
Mark Morrison, Return of the Mac.
Oh.
See?
Oh, so you did a listen music outside a dance hall and reggae to at the time?
Everything, man.
Everything.
Because I remember my first girlfriend, her name Stacey, Remember, Stacey come from Jamestown, we go interview Shelly Belly,
Yeah.
And she get filed for and go get foreign, I remember me buy a 45 again. End of the road, boys to man.
Yeah.
I'm bald for Stacey, right through. I hold my pillar so see me, can't sleep at night without ball over Stacey. Stacey girl left me. Remember, we are going to school, I be a kiss for Jamaica.
Yeah, kiss for Jamaica.
Right through. Me and Stacey that I kiss. Stacey girl left me. Class party keep and Stacey say she go away. Load ball me a ball over Stacey. Mary was there to me at 13. Face the guy left me. I remember end of the road, we buy that. Then, me buy that, me play it right. Remember saying my granny was exquisite furnishing. I remember you'd have modern furnishing, and then you have exquisite furnishing, you used to pass library right craft from Carib, when them turn it in a singer. I exquisite used to name first.
Okay.
That's so my granny go buy a component set. Me and my granny go buy that. Remember saying my great granny used to listen to Jim Reeves.
Okay, great Jim Reeves.
Me listen Tank Detail, my favorite. See me? Me listen Big Iron the Zeal out in the West town cause El Paso. I fell in love with a Mexican girl. You understand?
Yeah, that's that man.
So, my mother love Luther Van Just. My mother love Anita Baker. So, them song they were grew up a long time. I remember say we are listen Radio Jamaica a long time. JBC when they are here. Before even float on. Remember say them song they used to play on the radio all the while and never know the dance. See me? So, we grew up on the whole of them stuff a long time. So, after we done ball over station, we go to Bam now and I build the sound. You have a youth in this community named Jason. Jason have a sound named Love Stone.
Oh, Love Stone.
Because when I tell you, say we done entertainment, because my father used to sing to Sanja Belly, you know.
Okay, so you get
Yeah, man.
vocals right then at Belly, man.
Mother used to sing, my father used to sing to my mother Belly, man, and thing on. So, you don't know, my sound I take too long for build. Jason's sound already built. But music me I deal it.
Yeah.
I can talk. Because I'm full of chat. So, well, link Jason, a matter of fact, I think me did have an arms or something me did have. And Jason do one bite. So comes me and he make a connection there.
Cool.
Jason come from down at Jonestown, down at Bibo.
So from the get-go, you wanted to be an MC?
Yes, man.
Okay. So who you did sit in the space right here where say, yeah, at this moment to feed my family?
Before Mataran, it was Rory.
Oh, okay.
Because we are got Melrose and we are come home from school. We couldn't go to the dance at night time, you know, but we are hear the music. Right at Double B pub. A brother named Bunny, we have a bar. With the right up a link on the so. Right? Bunny, Double B, Stone Love used to play this every last Tuesday.
Okay.
See me? And you go to Bam and pass and say, Rory with him cigarette in my mouth and the big headphone in years. So we are here when Stone Love string up and play. So Stone Love has always been our sound. You understand? So we listen, we are past and we are listen Rory when we're there in our bed because it come like an outer door with we just not dead in the flesh, but we ears dead.
Naturally.
So when we hear, now, hear this. I'm a grandfather now. Carry me go house alone.
Okay.
First time I go one dance is my grandfather carry me. Them time they have a tin liquor named Green Sun.
Oh.
Zine. And Shandy.
No, Shandy.
You see me?
No, Green
So,
Sun.
yeah, man. That's when I tell show you how long. My grandfather carry me house alone one Thursday night, man. My grandfather carry me go Skateland. I remember Skateland used to have him think, unfortunately, one of my uncle did get shot up at Skateland, you know. Police a salute, you know.
Okay.
Like the first man that did a Skateland. Like a policeman did a salute and you know they be up on the roof. If you know about Skateland, they used to go up on the roof. So my uncle up there so and the man fired the shot and you know, my uncle drop off and dead. But Skateland used to be a dance hall too. So I go to Skateland. My grandfather carry me at them place there. Because me and my grandfather used to go everywhere, you know, because where a lot of people don't know is me are the first in everything. Me are the first grand. Right. Me are the first band.
Right.
Me are the first great grand. Me are the first great grand. So me are the first in everything. You understand? And out of everybody in the family, and me alone I go to high school. My brother them, one of my brother go Woolmars, one of my brother go Georges, one of my brother go KC. And I'm who send them. Sanja's son, man, the big one, man. Son. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So you don't know.
So Love Stone, you know.
Yeah, man, Love Stone was the community champion. Love Stone was every corner a Love Stone.
See,
and Rockabessa, if you know about Rockabessa, and Stone Love them time there.
Right.
Rockabessa, him not there no more. Rockabessa, that man they used to come in and, because him just some weep out did have some problem and him say, yo, me I go down there to help Stone Love because jungle him come from too.
Right.
Live over jungle top.
Oh, so he come help Love Stone.
I say I come build up Love Stone.
Okay.
So, you have a brother now named Butty. We keep a dance. Butty come from jungle. And Butty keep a dance with Love Stone and Stone Love.
Oh, yeah.
And we have to bring our little sound against big Stone Love. Our sound look like how you see them tools up here.
Right.
I remember I keep a post office. I remember me I tell you.
Yeah, give it.
Stone Love string and G-Force they down there.
G-Force
there. And G-Force them there. And Stone Love this way I talk about in a really matter, you know. I remember me I tell you, say, when we turn on as a ghetto rebel, Richie Feelings, man.
Richie Feelings.
And Jason, a problem, man. Me
Oh,
I tell
yeah.
you, man. I most memorable thing that. So after after the whole of them something there, before that we even did a buy be a king of these CD. Anything we matter around the pan,
Okay.
anything we squingy them the pan,
So yeah, by
we are buy that 4x4 because we are listen, we love you the bounty killer of them. We love you. Gee, none of mercy. Yes, when you hear that, this is another fan. The mighty base of this thing.
Yes, sir.
And you understand? 4x4. Big things are going 2004.
Yes, sir.
Mataran come to Jamaica and kill base of this thing.
You got the dance?
We never got the dance. But remember, Cassette Jones,
Okay.
Cassette Jones, man, remember everything more on Cassette Jones, we got a crossroad in the crossroad market. So I just walk that crossroad and I ride a bicycle go up a crossroad and say, oh, the latest thing them.
Yeah, man.
And I made that down in my yard with my Walkman in my ears. I remember I did Walkman first, buy a cassette phone. 90-minute TD man. So I mean that I know say, them I write the big 4x4 versus base of this, or 4x4 versus Black Cat in a marker.
Right.
But isn't it? And we buy that. And me I tell you, say, Mataran, 1996, Mataran got fully loaded. And I say, I mean him Tony mentally ill to kill. And I fling off him at in the crowd, so. I see the people shock off him at. Say, other boy, they more be like, you know.
You want to be like that boy there?
That boy there. Because I stay like that.
Yes.
You see me? But, for him charisma and charm we him have, I say, yeah, man.
You like that?
Because remember, you know, you will say, some girl knows say, but it don't sound sweet.
Right.
It's a disrespect, but how him say it don't sound like a disrespect. Because it charisma the girls, them and charm.
Yeah, man.
You understand? So, Mataran want to be like, so, alright, that's so.
Right, that's so.
Yes, man.
So you're the jungle now and become, as I said, the son a jungle champion.
Yeah,
you
man.
become jungle champion as a selector too.
Yeah, so me are the selector down a jungle. Me are the man down there. I'm more selector than bad, not selector than bad like me.
And you still a do.
I still a record national.
National.
Yeah, man, because remember the world don't know me.
Right, okay.
Them a hear about me, but when them come a jungle.
Yeah.
So why me want to go out into the world now? Because war mash up jungle all the time. Once a war start, no party can keep. So that always hold me back. So me always say, Stone Love is my son when me have to go play. Me have to go play Stone Love because if war go on a Rima, it not go on a jungle. If war go on a jungle, it not go on a Maxfield. And if it go on a Maxfield, it not go on a Waterhouse. And Stone Love can play on both. You understand?
Makes sense, my bro.
Yeah, so if you want day in the world, you have to depend on Stone Love. So watch this now. 2001.
But before we reach 2001, which you played New Image before you go on Stone Love or after you go on Stone Love?
Your New Image go now. Me I work at National. See? You have an elder who live down at Jonestown. I don't remember his name, but he knows me on Love Stone and New Image. Brand new. Little have up a crossroad. You understand? Sapphire Studio. So you don't know. When you pass, you say the one of the artists them.
True.
Lexus. I run the place them time there. You understand? I have Q45 camp there, the singer J them and all of the man them there and Nitty Coach, all of the man them there, General B, everybody. When you want to star,
Yeah, go there, so.
you just ride your bicycle and or you walk and go down the squiddly ranks. I remember I know if you talk about squiddly ranks, I have an I'm living, you know. See me, I him first, I could see the hottest set of girl them. Squiddly ranks. Riding in big bike.
Nice girl them coming.
Nice brown in them, man. I want to man. Squiddly them did it, man.
Yeah.
But after talk about Squiddly, see? So, we go to man with there and I don't remember who carried me to Lita. Or Lita, because the brother tell him say, Richie can play sound from Love Stone. So me go to now, remember the break me a deal, you know. Love Stone is a community song.
Right.
So, me go upon it. Now I power did upon it at the time.
Oh, cool.
See? So we go to we go. I think a 2 places we go with them down a jungle.
Your place,
with
your
Sound Trooper and New Image.
Oh.
New Image have a whole heap of song. Remember me and the Ghetto Champion. Remember say down there so them say them go tune for tune. And Trooper go to and play Sound Trooper gonna kill your sound.
Yeah.
And lick a sound. See me, but again, me fresh.
Right.
And me never really play the sound for 2 times I play the sound out of St. Thomas and down a jungle.
Okay.
Because again, there was no gingerbread coming in.
Oh, you're not earned.
And my people them have to eat. Because if me say me I go leave national for go up and town, me, when you're not a youth, you can't go do anything, you go dead for hungry. But I can't go in and not bring no Lasco. I can't go in and not no Pampas. I can't just bring in a bread alone and a juice no there. You understand? So I just make a business decision to deal with my youth them. Go back on Love Stone again.
I go back on the roots.
See me, go back to my roots again. So now, the last of Willie I got happening in 2001.
April 2000.
April 2001. I get the opportunity to go to England. Right? A son named Every Time International.
Every time.
With a brother named Romy. See? Romy goes to Bama and say, I have a son up here. Him come from jungle too.
Okay.
But him live in England. And I say, alright. I pick them. And this is it, you know.
Look here, go look
I
here.
go feet, you know. Tell them up a national too. Because even before that, me used to go up on Willie Roof. Because Willie Roof, any man who know about jungle knows that Willie Roof was the place on a Monday night.
Okay.
Remember again, them know me in our community, but Rebelty up there, Stone Love up there, Metro Media up there.
Heavy crowd that.
So, up the Ram. Them know me, but me not get the break. So me go up there and I try. I go record box. Go up there, I have a brother named Wani. Bring up my record box upstairs because again, them know me.
Right.
Beg me a beg a play, you know. Remember me no book, you know. Beg me a beg a play. Anytime I touch the mic up there, problem. Because me know what the people them want to hear about them.
Hear
know
from
me.
man.
Right, but again, out the road don't know me. Sky Juice is the man first take the mic and say, yo, you are bad.
Oh.
Me I go make you play for It's a Party.
Oh yeah?
You have to play for Bounty Killer It's a Party. It never happened.
It never happened.
But
Him recognize the talent.
yeah, him acknowledge because them come into jungle, them see me. And when a man goes to a man, we might go let them know and give me a run. Willie say, I want to now, live right. I want to because Willie love God people live right, you know. Live right, I want to do this, jungle is this. Make him play. See, I mean, that my national shirt. Now the only back close them time there.
Right.
With my national shirt. Because I'm in a business, oh, me look, but just want to hear me. So, we depend on Willie Roof. So, unfortunately, when Willie drop out, people call me. When I them time they attack alone, I could attack.
That before England or after you come?
Right before.
Right. Okay, cool. Oh, so you actually play Stone Love before you show out?
No, him call me and I never go shy out.
Say what?
Because.
So you dream like my father?
Yes, but all I know, I shy out because I say I couldn't mix.
Oh.
Because remember how royal sound this year go on, you know. The royal sound, you have to can do everything.
So understand.
Me never think, say boy, you have to learn. You can't go on it to learn. Yeah, but on the microphone, but you have to can mix. So I shy out and never go.
Okay.
See me? So go to England now. And England was our next experience where we do 5 months and 3 weeks at England.
So that's how long you need to stay?
No, I get 1 month with an invitation letter.
Okay.
Right? And when we get the invitation letter, my passport go to Home Office. Get back 5 months. So
Okay.
like no overstaying or anything. Up there, it's not easy. Again, anywhere we go when them know you're fresh, them don't want to see nothing fresh. People who want to see the freshness, but who did a long time, you're not getting a welcoming.
Familiar face them one.
You understand? The people them want to hear you because you're fresh. Because again, we reach one place named Colaba Lane in a Brixton. I reach one pub named Greenman Pub. A brother from Anatole named Tanto. Did I run the club there at the time? Remember, if you want to see a granny, go in there so. On a Sunday night or a Friday night.
All yard man. Link
Greenman Pub. You even say anybody from Maxfield, Jungle, Tivoli, anyway. So when we go in there, I had there. So everything with me am fresh. You see me? Vinyl start playing there. See? The Gappy them and Lizard them playing there and Lord Gellis them playing there. See? But again, them are the era sound.
Right.
Me knew. So again, it never easy. One time, I not have it for send come give me youth them. So again, we make a decision. When you're alone, you can't do anything. So I just say, at one point, my baby mother said, Richie, when you're there, we not go, we bed hungry. We're hungry. I remember that moving at me.
That I go shake you.
You understand? Because I remember now, when me there in Jamaica, them not got them bed hungry. Me youth them, have them feeding and them everything. Seeing, I'm hurt. And I say, I have to find a way for go to Jamaica back. If I even dip, I'm have to dip me. Because my youth, them need me. You hear me say? So, me go to Sabam now, call my auntie, I have a grand uncle in England. My name Bonnie. Bonnie there Bristol. So my auntie in New York was about man link him. So Richie want to go back to Jamaica, you know. And the man said, Shirley, you sure says not take this boy, I want to just take my money.
Yeah.
She said, no man, he want to go home, man, re. Remember, I go to Bristol and go check him. I go to Bristol and go check him, teach them. Remember the man do even have cable. He have BBC 1, 2, and Channel 3. Right? Him and his wife live.
Yeah.
Right? Remember, I train him with a work man at one point. See? Him go to BAM. Them time my passport, they home office and a £250 fee. Get it
Right.
Man, I give me the £250 and him and my auntie I make up and buy the ticket to send me back to Jamaica. Man goes to BAM and take out the money so. I hold the money, half fight to it, and me I hold half fight and the man say, Richie, you see this money? Make it be the first and the last you ever beg me anything. I say, my money is not for family. My money is to my wife when I dead.
Oh.
And I say, thanks. I say, thanks. Remember me use that as motivation here. Thank me auntie America. Come back to Jamaica. £26 me come back to Jamaica with. You hear me say?
£26.
£26 me come back to Jamaica with, and the next morning my daughter vomit out 2 worms.
Hospital settings.
Over comprehensive. And the same, me get one of my brethren pass off, God rest him soul, go me. Him come pick me up at the airport. And when Gummy come pick me up, the next morning, me give him £5 and the £20, we change it. And buy back medication for my daughter. Because I care over comprehensive. You understand? I go to BAM, link off a week off to get to work. First place, I go back to National, no work. Link off a week up the full up. See? Remember, I forget work.
I forget work.
When I get to work, up a Winter Spark.
Kids in town.
Kids in town. Mr. Winter, big up yourself anyway you're there. Mr. Winter and Miss Calder. How I reach a Winter Spark now?
Well, you driving that far.
Remember, I don't have a car. Remember, from Jungle to Crossroad. From Crossroad to Spanish Town. Spanish Town to Kids in town. And remember now you have to have extra bills to carry around a Winter Spark. So majority of the morning, I could have walked to Jamaica. Big up Miss Calder.
Yeah.
Miss Winter wife that. Remember Miss Calder would have dropped me a Boulevard when time I come from Kids to town. You see me? But remember I find where I reach up there. Right. I do again. Entertainment.
Oh,
the kids
cool,
them,
man.
Yeah, man, the kids them are coming. You kids over there, do this and that and that. You kids over there, we are playing music. Man, you tell name Omar. Big up Omar. You see me? All the Winter Spark work at them. Them know, man. Over there, so we build a family, we work this for a short space of time.
Okay.
You see me? And, you know, when now, we go to and give me a trial run, when Yankee, God bless, drop out.
Oh, okay.
We go to and send call me. Because remember the whole of the selector them book out and gone all about. You don't know me, because now I have the first dollar in my name. I'm going to say to Father Paul, say, Father Paul, you can't give me a taxi fare. Remember the work the man called me for, you know.
Yeah.
And me I tell him, man, boy,
Taxi fare.
I can't do that right now. Put my hang up. You know me though. Me need this work here. Me now make 2 opportunities pass me. But my youth. Everton Bunzi brother. My name Bradley.
Oh, Bala Bunzi.
Remember. Me and the whole of remember Bunzi them and be virgin. All of them. Because I remember Jungle come from Hunting. I'm going to say my link him and them say, no, say you and then I go. And I'm going to say, drop me. I don't have $1, but I'm a virgin. See? And him drop me around a Yankee. Remember, I don't know me I come back, you know. But me I reach.
Right.
I reach around there. A Yankee set up. And play a Yankee set up. Oh, give me 5 bills to go back at my yard.
Father Paul.
Father Paul.
Oh.
So it's a test me get.
Test man.
See if this boy I want this work, yeah.
You want it, man.
See, I'm a reach. And road me bring me back a jungle. That road me become a good taxi virgin. Because again, we poor teacher now say. Anytime you go foreign, have money and have a phone. And when you're at Jamaica, have a good taxi friend.
Yeah.
Because you don't have to have the money all the while. Right, you can pay him at a later date. So road me becomes my bridging. You understand?
Yeah.
So road me bring me now. After me leave Yankee place. See? So from this so now, We go Sabam, send me a give me a bit. I'm a Clarendon with Swamp King and Iceberg. See?
So that was your first big dance outside of the
Right.
setup.
Now give me a bit. I'm reach this up. I went 10 people if I dance, Swamp King give me the mic.
Dance done.
And as soon as I say, yo, I don't know where, hey, people them gone. Lick me with a stone. You see me? Again, we use that as experience. Because all of these things, nothing, we use it as motivation, nothing. I'm just so Stone Love this and we come and I watch. Because remember, they know me from Love Stone, you know. All the Stone Love selector, them know me. Them know me. Jet Li was a man in the jungle all the while.
Okay, cool.
See me? Big up Jet Li. We have to big up Jet Li. Anytime we go down and talk about something, we have to big up Jet Li. Because Jet Li is a man who never show in a bad face. You understand? And it starts from this way. The man tell us, Cosby tell us, anytime Skiller start pay you, you know so you get the work officially. Skiller start pay me.
Skiller start, yeah.
So me know say, yeah, Stone Love this now.
Yeah.
And remember now, anytime you make the chuck, you reach.
How long
Me
you
make
take
the chuck.
your face to go by the chuck?
Not long, you know.
Not long.
After a while and watch this up.
Well, I when you reach there, so we know you said Swamp King already.
Nico the just leave.
Oh,
Nico the
Nico.
just leave.
Oh,
So everybody else did it except Nico.
So Slaughter, Rory, Jet Li, Iceberg,
G-Force,
Cosby,
Diamond,
G-Force,
Swamp
Chris.
King.
Okay.
You understand? So all of them.
Chris Cross as well?
Chris Cross coming at the last.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, man, Chris Cross coming at the
The
last.
whole Stone Love aggregation was there, man.
Yeah, man, everybody did it, man. When I saw a record where I used the first time I got foreign, Delhi Ranks and Mega Bantan, them keep a dance, man, in New York, man, in a club named Club A, man. And me and Diamond go play a record box, 12 inch and 45 go carry, man. You see me?
Yeah.
So, we are come from them stage.
And
Here in Jamaica, we fly pan too.
Here in Jamaica.
Lovebird key card.
And as I said, Diamond, you and Diamond develop great chemistry, bro.
My brother, that. Diamond, when we talk about Diamond, a passion we talk about. We and Diamond, there's so much that I can say about Diamond, but just no say. It's like, Diamond was like a stalwart and Stone Love for everybody.
Everybody.
Everybody, when I say everybody wanted to go with Diamond to play. Because Diamond is a good selector, a good mixer,
Yeah.
a good everything. Every man can play by themselves, you know. But everybody game turn up when they play with Diamond. So, me and Diamond just build a chemistry wherein, you know, we start look music together. Because, you know, we used to have to go out there, we look songs. Because the thing I changed to CD now, from record. So, me and Diamond, we have to link the whole of the artists, them, and Stone Love have been studio, you know, but the things start change.
Yeah, right.
But the artists have now come around and Stone Love like that again.
Yeah,
you have to go find them. So me and Diamond, me not no car, and Diamond left with a Spanish Stone up a Keystone and come for me. You understand? And me and him go road.
Yeah.
And me and Oliver from Metro Media.
Oh, yeah, Oliver used to run the road too.
I'm bridging that to man, Oliver man, the longest liver man, Oliver Bangaranga man.
Yeah.
Yeah man, I'm bridging that man. Oliver driving Mark 2 them time, they never know me can drive and give me that.
Oliver Bangaranga, Alvaranga, man, different.
Bangaranga.
Yeah. Oh, Oliver get car for drive.
Yeah man, we play Asylum every Tuesday night, man. Big up Dana out Asylum too. Remember say every Tuesday, me and Scorpion used to, we used to just the outside so. Scorpion used to play other night. Me and him out there and Dana them, we not go in, we just watch what I go on outside and
Just watch what I
out the Ram. You see me? Out the Ram and we just there and, you know, on Thursday Stone Love playing there. Where, you know, Tuesday night or girls night and, you know, problem. So we just there out there with Dana. Dana food I go on. Yeah, man.
What was it like though? Because at that time, Stone Love was this out with a huge staff. How long did it take for you to really, you know, get your foot in and say, yes, I'm there?
Everybody at travel got foreign. And Stone Love can play a 17 parish.
One time.
You understand? Because every man can play by themselves. And when you go up on Stone Love, people say you must be able to defend Stone Love.
Oh, okay.
You understand? So when them gone a foreign, the whole of the top selector, them Slaughter, G-Force, Swamp King, Cosby, remember I 4 top man that. So Jet Li would have gone to one place in Jamaica and it'll leave me an Iceberg.
Oh,
Or
okay.
me and Diamond gone to one place. So as so comes now because remember, anyway, Stone Love string up a big dance.
Big dance, true.
Now I forget a woman named Dar. When me never have the name yet, I me never depend on the chuck. Me a go on, but me not depend on the chuck yet. Dar keep a dance for Orange Field. Big dance she always keep. I remember me go up there. Dar said the people don't want back no feelings up there, you know, tell them to pass back flat bridge.
Kind of for the truck.
Because I make the chuck. So when I make the chuck and I go on, who you think send come pay for me?
Dar.
Extra money for me for come play. Not there, man. Because I make it, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man. When I make the chuck, man, I goal, man.
Yeah, man. You see free, man. We can't match it, brother.
Yeah,
Big
man.
bad
So,
stone love, man.
yeah, I say, man. So now, Skiller a pay away. Skiller a drop away, guard the place them. So we have to reach up a stone love. So we reach, like Skiller said, 6 o'clock. I remember say them that we're on the highway. We have to take it to Spanish Town and go Whole Harbour. So we have to go to Westmoreland down a Great Jail. We have to leave out from 3 o'clock. Because you know, alone traffic we go through Spanish Town. Yeah, man. I remember say, it's a AD wagon Skiller, you know. And you know, want to see we pack up in that like sardine, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Pack up in that like sardine. So from this until enough of the time, you know, Diamond have a car.
Right.
So me and Diamond got enough of the dance them. Because once you have a car, Skiller just say, yo, you have to go this so.
Yes.
And you have to go this so. So when the whole of the man them gonna find it, just reach a stage now where when we make it and reach a chuck and everything, Garden is a place to give me a big break.
Jim Brown Memorial.
Jim Brown Memorial.
I listen quite a few of them.
See?
Man.
And Father Yap then and them man they were. Once you play a garden dance, them start 5 in the morning and done at 10.
Yeah.
So anybody who know about garden, and them bring in morning. So once you go to Bam, you know reggae is a man that used to say, oh your father Paul. Oh yeah, one time the morning I light out, it's like the people must have stone of a lock off star because it's like all Jesus to say him to carry all them youth, them a school and oh yeah, the people no you stone love babe, we never like that.
Yeah.
And Jim Brown Memorial go come. And when the cassette come out, or the CD come out, is Beer, Firelinks, and Mataran.
True.
No swash, no Stone Love. Stone Love just sit down the pack up. So like, you know, when the day, remember, you know, Stone Love and Swash are going good, you know. Claudia and Jim Brown Foundation, and I play the whole of the alley cat them and the whole of the something them and the whole of down there mash up and I go on. But when morning light out, they sound them lock off. Me say, yeah, Mataran and Links. My name have to go side of that, you know.
Man.
So me and Diamond again, say, we are go for the Jim Brown Memorial.
Right.
We have to go for the Jim Brown Memorial, yeah. And go Sabama and go there, Vice Alley Cat. Up at Goofy Studio.
Yeah, man. So that the cat down there, so
Big
brother.
up, Goofy. Goofy have to get big up.
Yeah.
Goofy, baddest producer. Man, they know music. And him know artists too.
And I've said this before, so as it relates to talent ID, I think Goofy is modern day. Like nobody can identify talent like Goofy. Like,
A real thing. I agree 1000%.
him
Goofy.
have it locked.
Yes, man.
If Goofy say you're a bad artist, you go boss. You're a bad artist, and you go boss.
Yes, so we have to big him up a film studio. We go and have Vice Alley Cat. And he introduced me to Idona. And I say, yo, the youth name Idona. And I say, Idona. Richie Feelings, this DJ film. Idona is a DJ, I go. Give him next lyrics again. Lyrics. And him sing a song when he bust the eagle, ground shake. And I say, give me this for Jim Brown Memorial. My man about to know Idona. And me go play that down there. Because again, oh you know he's a big selector. You have to play a new song. You have to play a new artist. So we come from that era there where remember we're not on YouTube and we don't have nothing. You understand? Yeah, I saw select and make them name them time there where you are boss. So we carry Idona down there. And when we go to man play that gunshot fire, and we go to man play Jim. Down in the ghetto, Jim spend more time life. We living is a thing so hard to survive. Though those have to stay alive. So we got I remember be a gunshot fire again. No more selector past all of gonna go down there with me and Diamond.
Oh, I want to know one.
Cause we.
I want to set it.
Because now, Stone of a turn on. And then now, for the woman them, which responds for them.
Right.
Cause it's always Mataran again. So, Mataran and the girl, me say, me and him have to share them girl, you know. When the daylight out, you know, him attack and I go on and I say, it's too of time now, my time now. Diamond, and talk. So I succumb now, everything we keep a guard, man. Elder Skip Memorial and the whole of them memorial, like we down the man. I go on. After that, my dance becomes a dance named Backshot She Love. We keep on a pink lane.
Oh.
See? A dance named Backshot She Love. Me play on a dance every time. Yeah, man. One time I go to Mangala Stone, fully loaded. Fully loaded one year and Swam King left Stone Love.
Oh, that I went Swamp King dog that dog. I remember that. Man, listen to the answer,
The
man.
man play one cartel like beat Richie Feelings and Little Richie. Yo, in a me yard, the man them a play that.
I play tune.
Weeks. Say, alright, everything good, man. Fully loaded I come back again. Say, Diamond, come in. I'm busy apart them time there. Busy sing a song for me. Name. Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Captain Barky went to Yang to do the whisper song. 2 songs we carry down there. I remember, bust up down a fully loaded.
Yeah. Is it true that Father Paul wasn't
Into clash thing.
happy set on a go clash?
Him no want that, but you can't book. I say I go on fully loaded with a clash event and say I go juggle.
Right.
But when time Swam King this way and them a play, remember you know, and we pour them a this, you know. Them a this is selected them. So, how it ever feel now me come from jungle and everywhere you pass a jungle you hear Richie Feelings, swash there with Richie Feelings. That can't feel good. So me know if I just go in my community every night.
Yeah,
Me and that man say, we're not busy with Weepo, you know. Weepo never know nothing about them song there. How we go down there go on. And you say we go and go and Weepo say, we don't go and go there, but we should go down the class, Weepo. So we take it now.
Yeah.
Because that man, they hard to give glory, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, man, they hard to give glory, man. Anytime Weepo give glory,
Yeah.
you made it.
You made it.
And the man, they don't give out pints just so.
Yeah, see, pray.
Yeah, man, the man don't give out pints
And
just so.
at this point now, you were becoming the lead or one of the lead selectors on the sound now.
Yes, man, 2006 and 2007, 2005, 2006, we get selected here.
Back to back.
Back to back, man, Stone Love. You understand?
All the big names.
Yo, yeah, I remember now, we are putting in work. And now the whole foreign start request we know. So, I really why them want to say we can remember our voice, them are here,
Right,
can remember
cassette them.
Stone Love stands alone. And next thing again, Cassette Ninja. When he makes a Richie Feelings, them a tape. Him not tape Richie Feelings, man say, nobody know him. Slaughter them, I feel tape on them, man.
Oh, yeah?
So when we get wassy and wild, him call and say, which my Richie Feelings to play. Can remember, just begin up my friend, Cassette Ninja. What you say? When you make that, you made it.
And before we even go any further, Richard Bailey is the name on the birth certificate.
Definitely.
I guess the Richie would come from Richard, or the
Yeah.
feelings coming 19.
Because of music. Ever you the name? Dave Bling. Come use the name Richie Cruiser first.
Richie Cruiser.
Come I love the Land Cruiser vehicle.
Oh, okay.
So everybody I call me Richie Cruiser. When I go stop my drive in a Dave Lexus. Driving a Dave Lexus and we go to stadium because we love basketball. And me and Jay-Z will say, I'm feeling it. I say, I feel that song here. Everything me I say, I feel it.
Richie
I
Feelings.
say, Richie feel it, me name, you know.
Richie Feelings.
Everything. And silly Neil sing a song and say, I want you to feel me.
Like this.
Let me. So I suck up and get my name. I mean name myself,
You
man.
do yourself. Richie Feelings. Yes, sir. So now you take on yard and abroad.
Right. And country everywhere.
After you get 5 minutes first, big dance you go.
Yeah, man.
Door kick off, you know.
Door kick off.
People, them ears open up.
Open up and I hear this, them I hear Sanja son, man.
And then now, cause, so, as we say now, every man can play the odd song name, every man can play some gun song, but you represent
The ladies
woman
mostly,
them.
right.
Entertainment, man.
Right.
Can't lose, brother.
Can't lose. Remember, so
Can't
without
lose.
woman party can't nice.
You know, man, I'm a party.
Woman not dead at the party can't
I'm a
nice.
party, then I have to keep man.
So that's the thing now. So once you say woman, me have an argument.
Yeah.
It's true there now and now I always I say to me say, yo Richie, you used to bad one time and I said, no man, it's still there man.
Still there.
And that's the party where you get. Because
I
remember,
have just today.
how me look on it, anywhere you go, you add up and adjust. Yes, you will go in at the place and them go, it's like them I say, no, elegant affair. Me don't want to wheel off and get dirty and
Right,
because me
right,
I try to think of the team of the party. Even though them want to hear it and really like, me feel play, some people were made for each other, some people can love one another. I think them nice and me jump up. Who no dirty girl? You understand?
Yeah,
Two that man bring out him mother. Like me, I look on it
Right,
and way there.
right,
And then the mother
right.
said, I don't still after them out there.
Intelligence, that
You
man.
understand? So that is why you hear someone say, Richie did. Richie never did. Because if you give me down a Max Hill right now, or give me down a jungle or gardener anyway,
Lock off.
a problem. Because remember, we adjust to with surroundings.
Intelligence, that man. Because
Yes,
someone only can play one particular way.
Alright.
You play based on the event.
Play that radar
crowd.
man. Like they play that radar man. That's why we don't big up the radar man them enough. We talk about selectors and sound system, like how big up Chupa, because we never have a Chupa bridging, you know. Right? Every selector good. But the radio man them don't get enough ratings. And at them play for millions. Because remember, you know, they play for millions. Because when you're listening to IRFM, the worldwide are the first worldwide radio station in the Caribbean. Right? So, I have to pick up DJ Wayne.
Whistle man.
Remember, he's my friend that Kirk Riley. You understand? You see, DJ Wayne and Kirk Riley is my friend them. And outside of music, this is what I talk about.
Okay.
So, Kirk Riley is so dear to me that we don't talk every day. But Kirk Riley, if I start talking about Kirk Riley now, the interview I forgot to chop up. You understand? DJ Liquid, DJ Chrome, DJ Ice, DJ Smurf. You see me? And Chai McLean, Dalton Lee them. You see me? Arif Cooper. See? So every man with them on the radio. Because DJ Rai, I'm a bridging too. So, because I'm the radio, make me know these people before me meet them in real life. So we need to pick up the radio personality them, just like how when we listen to Juliet Badley and Paul and Porter. You understand? And Eda Cummings. And these voices of the radio, just like how we have Ian Boy in profile. Remember say, it's like all a man like Johnny. Johnny, forget him respect. Johnny, them have statue built with them. You understand? Because we grew up on them, I listen to them on the radio, Mizella them, Lime Tree Lane. You understand? Just like how them build statue of IT and Fancy Cat. Because these are people where we grew up on, like Tyler Perry said, I think they're at the BT Awards, right? Man said them a robot with footprint. And I'm alive. Because you reason it all of you know where at 20 and 21. It's like when you reach 30, you're all and done. Like when you reach 30, you all your history for robots. So when we are 40, we are so man we are 50, so we are trying to tell me, say.
So we stay about of it true, bro.
See, so me if you just see Nadine Sutherland and just go and like session nobody.
Never.
So yeah, try to tell me, said me wake up at Hope Garden and stand up and watch Master Griffiths celebrate 60 years in music. Me if you just make it look like say what Master Griffiths do for those robots, so me not believe in that.
Can't robot.
You understand? What Chevelle Franklin do can't robot.
True, bro.
A generation of there, I want a place right now where thank God say we have this.
Respect for that.
Because watching teach them, Power Man interview. Low culture interview. See? And the list goes on and on and on. Major Mackerel. Squidly Ranks. Because I have always talk about Squidly Ranks. Squidly Ranks was a man I believe in my career a long time. Squidly Ranks come and say, Richie, I get a sound to play for you. I get a sound to play for you. Because I remember say, him out there.
Him out, right.
See me?
True.
So, we have to big up Squidly. Because Squidly is a man I believe in with talent long time. So, in respect of the way up at one place.
Nice. So now, big sound, man turn big selector.
Yes, man.
So the Rory where you used to hear on a Tuesday night when a general shop, and Maggie where you used to listen upon the CD.
Me and them the side and side now.
Rub shoulders.
I rub shoulders, me and matter and the song, me turn all artists.
And Maggie used to start par after a while.
Me and matter and then me a par with me idol you know. And me I say, boy, I live in a style like a new apartment. And people think say film down, film on them, because I say, I'm my king.
Right.
You understand? So, three are the prince. They must say, he must follow the king. See? So when them go to Bam now, I remember me say, bomber job. Hear the boy, bomber job, run for cover. And thief it up. Shave it up. Like a boy, good barber, you know?
Good barber.
Them on a barber, man, I hope I cut him used to work, man. Boy can shave and trim good.
Yeah.
You see me?
So you're on the G start to roll now, and that then kind of lead to something. But when I reach around this, see?
Yeah.
So you do, and with any organization, like, you know, any business, any organization where you have people working, you will have, you know, situation where and everybody will smile with you,
like
happy
you.
for you,
Right.
understand? And people kind of try. There was some politics around your stone out journey of sorts, so eventually that kind of helped. You know,
Propel me as a
move away.
Yeah, that is true.
What was it? What were some of the things where, you know?
One of the main things was hearsay and carry news. One of the main things was hearsay and carry news. Them tell we post them I take date. Me and him know say me never take a date. You know when you come from any garrison, people just put your name on a thing cause them want them thing
And
to
then
go.
you had selected to brother.
You understand? So we couldn't help that. Weepo gave me a lead way to play at Uptown Mondays, play at early Mondays, because again, things did a change.
Okay.
So nobody else couldn't do that, you know. But at Weepo just see the change that come and allowed me to do it.
Okay.
So now a man come see me Uptown Mondays and then tomorrow, him see me like even if it cuss all a bad word, you know, say stole off the clean
Right,
so.
so there,
But every now and then Weepo say me could have clot one. You understand? So when them hear you clot it, no let them look and say I get no problem for it. Them don't know what Weepo tell me to do it. So Weepo is a man that say, listen me, Richard, you have to know how to charm the crowd. Stop the crowd. Give me your money. Weepo teach me that. So you have to charm them. So he might teach me how to be charismatic.
Right.
Weepo grew me that way there. You understand? So he might teach me as the transformation from Slaughter them to Richie Feelings. Because
New generation.
the new generation come and you know say stone over the world immortal sound. So you have to can play for way. So it reached a stage where people start putting up on posters.
Okay.
And people are going to weep on and say, you know, see the boy at date, you know, see them start this and that and that and that and it started cause a problem.
I think, or I thought about Bembe. I think Bembe kind of came up in the conversation with Weepo, but we had talked about Bembe. Was there a situation where you and Swamp King did kind of have friction?
Me and him never have no friction. Swamp King was a all his mind person. Swamp King was a all his, and never was no friction me and him have. We do have links on the beach. And when we do links on the beach, him race out the dance and say, oh, people, I'm not going to be here for the Christmas. Me I go there England. And the whole of the hot song, them race them out and then one give me the mic. We again tell us, if you see a man a drown, don't save him. Because he might help you drown. You understand?
Yeah.
So me go sabam, nah take the mic from him because we tell me, he said, don't take it.
Okay.
What him do now, all I forward them gone, I links on the beaches on a Sunday night. And him go sabam and show the mic. I sight it and it drop. Carry me name to we post and I dash the mic. A diamond, again if you say a lie, not go so.
Oh.
Because remember, me no boss yet.
Right.
Him boss, but diamond boss too. So again, I saw come the problem never there. See me, but another friction with me and him.
Yeah.
Him is just a man where, I just all his mind person, him brave for play some song, but him never had the charm, him never had the guilt.
Yeah.
Him never had the things that were Richie Feelings have. So again, because if he made have all of that, when him leave and go up on him own, would I make it? Him never make it.
And what was it, you know, because at that time, people like Slaughter and Rory were the elder statesmen around the sound, the man with the whole heap of experience and probably personally to what was it like working with them generals there?
Slaughter was a man where a no nonsense Slaughter deal. They can't make no mistake around Slaughter.
Oh.
So we in asylum I play one night and somebody jump on the stage so and the record jump.
And Neagle them
The
kind of
Needle,
thing,
right.
yeah.
And Slaughter stop the music and say, Richie Feelings. Stone of a studio. What they gonna learn here?
In a dance.
Yeah man, pan the mic.
Yeah?
Yeah man. So everybody have a story about Slaughter. Everybody have a story.
Everybody have a story about
Every selector pan stole have a story about Slaughter. You understand? Slaughter. Just like how you born out doing pow. I saw him stay. He might go just vice him opinion. And that's not business. Cause yeah, more than the world need that, you know. But sometimes and everything if you come out of your mouth. Sometimes if you know some things and don't say it. Because it's
and
words.
place, I guess.
Words travel.
True.
And it can break and it can build you. So when him say that way him say, I take that again as motivation. Because again, we both tell me say me African defense stone love. So when them not there, no me go defense stone love man.
And it was in the 2006, 2007-ish, as them time they have power with Magic, that you started Bembe.
Yeah man, 2007.
2007.
October the 12th.
What was Weepo's reaction to?
He did alright with it.
Okay.
Until them start carrying news again. Tell him say me a big up Bembe more than Weddy. And them things they start
Oh,
coming.
it was on a Wednesday and Bembe on a
That's why
Thursday.
me I show you say people just all of who used to carry the news now. All of them beg me all the while, I'm feed them and sorry for them. And them shame. And me know. And me just laugh. Because again, when you carry news, forget a gas money from Weepo. And it was a mutual agreement for me to test the water.
Oh.
I never fire me yet.
You know, that was said.
Yeah, man, them say, Richie, I take date and them fire me. Weepo never fire me. Weepo never fire me. The bag of news carrying, me get fed up with it. You understand? And Weepo keep a meeting. And Weepo keep the meeting. Him say, listen, I just want you guys to know that me and Richie Feelings don't have no problem. Richie Feelings gonna test the water.
Okay.
Dwayne Paul, the first man, to shed tears for me. We have enough respect for Dwayne Paul. We and him good. Iceberg is a man of ball. Iceberg say, Father Paul, then if Richie out there in the water and I swim and the water get rough, him can't come back. And we Paul say, we'll talk about that.
Oh.
You understand?
I
So,
understand.
yeah, so. And I'm a city like how people did say, rare.
Okay. I appreciate the clarity there, sir. But saying that though, Bembe became huge, brother. I think so it was Richie Feelings, Jigsy and Rolex, I think.
Razan Biggie.
Maggi, Razan Biggie, and I think Firelings used to frequent.
Firelings, yeah man, Firelings passed through all the while.
Big team, man.
Yeah man, unity.
Big team.
Remember one man couldn't make it work. Everybody. Because remember people like say unity. Unity make a lot of things work.
Then time I'm there teachers college, brother Michael. Hottest party in
On a Thursday night,
yes,
man.
Sir.
Yes, man. 9 to 2, man. 80 Constant Spring Road, man.
Was there a few times, man?
Yeah, tell you.
Some of them girls from the school, you know?
Yeah, man. I place to be, man. So that's now uptown mixed with downtown.
Yes, sir.
Problem, man. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Be a bad selector, brother.
Yeah, me I tell you. So this week me would have close. Next week me would play. Raz play early. And you see me?
Then
this
Jigsy
goes
and
on.
Rolex.
You understand?
Magic.
Look how
Nice
Richie come
vibration,
past through.
man.
Yeah, man. That's unity, man. I just the goalie and Gaza thing mash it up.
That makes us say no. Bembe got so big that everybody was coming there, and when everybody coming there, a lot of things came with them.
Everybody, when I say everybody, problem.
Because you had a Devabrat situation, you have an Idonia situation, there's a situation with you where you're going to talk about a little bit. So, all the thing, and then now the Gully Gaza thing, you know, crowd of Shuffman run up and down. And
Every week. So, why you go and go one place, we have to one day if you have to go run, and then up a stadium. So, it does start trickle down. Yeah. We get 2 anniversary out of it, and then it does start trickle down. Because remember, Bembe go all about all of Japan, you know. Razan Biggie go all about, and we go all about in a world with Bembe, man.
Oh, that part me never know.
Yeah, man, all about in a world Bembe, them keep Bembe this, Bembe that, Bembe Raymond. Even all next month, me have Bembe me pasa, me and Maestro play Atlanta.
Oh, cool, no, man.
Yeah,
Nice, man. The brand still a live on, man.
Yeah, remember say they care about.
Nice.
They care about, man. It's well structured.
Eventually, though, I think it was 2000 and so, because you joined Stone Love 2001.
Yes.
And you would have left
2007.
2007. 6 years.
Yeah.
What was it like, you know, making that step?
Ball, I can't go ball, man. Carl Thomas never have no emotion over me, man. Yeah. Ball, whoa, murder. What is? My dream. Ball. Home for dream for play Stone Love and I for left Stone Love. What is? Lock up my phone. Whoa, murder. When I wake up, remember, I get a call. Japan. Samurai call me. Richie Feeling. Me Samurai. Me matter when they do a song for him. Name Genki Deska. Name How You Feeling in a Japanese.
Genki Deska, yeah, man.
See, me and him do the song there. Me and Mataran. And we go to Baman. Man say, me line up tour for you. You hot in Japan. 1 month me do a Japan.
1 month.
So
Japan was the first place you went after Stone Up, or was it Italy first?
I go Italy first. Ratatam Splash. Remember, I go Ratatam. Venice, I go Venice Beach and land at Marco Polo Airport. Remember me and tell you, say, I said, no, I made it. Look at Sanja Sun from jungle.
Yeah.
And reach there. As me land at Venice Beach and go to the drive out, tell me, look, me say, a man a beg one white man. Me say, wait, white people beg. I never know white people beg. I never know. Take out my camera. So I tell me, look at the camera and snap it. Yeah, man.
Yeah. And before we pick up the solo part of the journey, I think you had done dance class part 1 and part 2 for Stone Love.
Yes, man.
And I think Green Sleeve
4 and 5. Yes, man.
had released that.
Yes, Green Sleeve.
Green Sleeve.
And we put Baghdad with him. And then he go up and go him do Baghdad and Bad Flow. So we poured him that Kevin Evil. Big up yourself, Kevin.
Man, on record in artist.
Yeah, man, and that's like we pour again make that happen.
Yeah.
We pour say, shoot around there, you know. I mean, yeah, DJ for the mic, you know. Go around there.
Oh.
We pour, man, again organize all of that, man. I say, yo, shoot there, anything you want to go around there, go do it, man.
Yeah. What's the relationship with your father Paul at the moment?
We're not in a relationship.
Friendship.
We're not nothing at all because, again, I just see him on the TV.
Okay.
I just see him on the TV because remember, you know, King Richard left Stone Love, you know, saying a man where you mold if you go come a giant. So it's like, you don't know a man make a mistake because it was a big mistake.
Right.
And everybody got admit to them make a mistake. But for me, dreams, if I made upon Stone Love and fair to leave Stone Love and go ball live in the water. Because I remember once me ball, you know. Done, you know.
Done.
Yeah, man, I now look back, man. A lot wife alone look back.
Pillar of salt.
Yeah, man. I never want to turn a pillar of salt.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh, cool.
But you don't know Father
I never know that.
So.
I never know that part of there when I just ask the still.
Yeah, man. But you don't know Father Paul respect, man.
Still go, like, you know.
No, man. Remember, say, you don't know respect. The respect never go nowhere.
Right. Yeah, I realize that.
Respect. You hear what I talk
man,
about. I understand the way I say, man.
Totally.
The respect for Father Paul, man. Remember, say, Stone Love make the world know me, you know. Jungle know me. But Stone Love make the world know me.
Really,
Because if you don't hear a name, Stone Love stands alone. At one point, Ronald Stone Love, ask man do the photo shoot. And come like a my picture alone, it come out the best. See it? And we put have that in I'm officer Richie Feelings stands alone.
Oh, okay.
And them have problem with that. And we put say, yo, come take out this out here, you know, it a cause problem, you know. I buy me car. And them say we put buy me car. We put buy me no car. We put buy me no car. And me buy me car.
But it's a working man, so what do you mean?
When I tell you about partner.
Yeah, true.
When I tell you about partner.
You tell him, man.
Remember, say, look where you save, man. I look where you save, you know. Remember, when we go to Sabah, man, give me the $1,500 from Greenstreet and say, oh, I get 3,000. And me, I give 15. Because me, I tell you, say, money never was the problem. First time I say $200,000, we out. I got Canada go play with Mataran. And when I go to Sabah, man, come back with all the Canadian and them, man, go to Sabah, man, give me. I say, the man go so. And I count off, and I see him go so. Right down in me, I go to Sabah, man, part, and give me the bigger part, so. I'm going to look for the whole of money, man. I hear one this, you know?
Yeah.
Scotia Bank, me go. Remember, who you think I want to make reference? Slaughter.
Billy.
And a youth down a jungle used to work at the bank when named Prince. Slaughter was one of my reference. You hear me say? So I go open bank book. Down there my money I go. Every time I go find and come back, Scotia see me. Prince can tell you. As me go find and come back, I have some I put in my yard. I have some I go down to my bank. And I have some I change a union. Because remember, you don't know. I have to link Sandra, I have to link brother. And, you understand? Right. So, I saw my thing. So,
yeah.
I saw it go. So you don't know we for respect, man. We for respect can't go nowhere, man. You have to rise up that year.
Great, man.
Great.
So, after, you made that move from playing one of the greatest songs we ever built, it was now the solo journey.
Yes.
I said Japan and Italy was the first place.
First thing them said. First thing them said. The first thing they said.
Yeah.
A 6 month them a give me. Me have to pop down.
You go pop
me now go make it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. But talent can't sell a shop. You think you can just go buy half one of talent?
Have it.
And we done by this time. Remember we have them there. And so people still see we and like say we go last. So now you transition from where they and they run a Bembe. And we still play Uptown Mondays. Uptown Mondays are my place, big up Father Witty. You understand? Out of early Tuesday, out of early Friday, out of Rockford too, Oliver Road. All of them places that we did there. So every weekly thing, we did there.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
And I said, then now eventually, close out because of the whole.
Yeah, man, the Gully Gaza feud, man. Run up and down every weekend.
Yeah, higher attack?
No.
From then time till this time?
Yeah, man, them fling back and lick me, man. Oh, them fling back and lick me. Yeah.
This are the cut here, sir?
Yes. There, man. But again, as I say, as an entertainer, you're a lamb to the slaughter. You and people who have problem, you have to know what you do. Because again, just like how them fling back and lick you when you play, I can't tell you who lick me back, but I know where it come from. Because of me and them are the altercation.
Yeah.
You understand? Me and nobody else never have nothing. Me and them alone. So this happened Thursday at Bembe, and Monday, me get lick. You understand? So when them say them are deny and whatever. But again, as I say, many years ago this, 15 years ago this, And so yeah.
See you, man.
Yeah, man, it's all love,
It's all love.
Yeah, man, it's all love. We don't have no problem with nobody.
But though you're busy, you support. You're busy still.
No, me I'm busy no good, You understand? Me I'm busy no good. Me I'm busy use to par. Me I'm busy use to great.
So
But
what does that?
again, money change people to you, man. So you don't know, big up yourself, you're busy.
Yeah.
Remember, me know you stay. God go with you, big up yourself.
No, you're Fantan used to do road.
Right show, Fantan. And Fantan have the 90. Every Wednesday, me that have Fantan bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, before he buy a van. Buy a F-150.
You have gone on the road with Fantan too?
No, me never go on the road with Fantan
Okay.
yet, but me and Fantan
Yeah,
good.
Fantan good.
Yeah, man, we can't forget. We can never ever forget. We can't forget, man. That's how we say. Remember, the artist need the selector and the selector need the artist. Everything is a team.
Yeah, man. It's a symbiotic relationship.
But
Man.
a lot of people forget that. Music not just play by itself.
None at all.
The engineer, the artist need the engineer.
Right.
Right?
Well, some of them will tell you no,
And,
but
but I just that may I show you ego. Every man want like say them alone can do everything.
And that's a part of the reason why the music kind of feel how it feel now, which is
It not feel organic.
That is it, brother.
It don't feel organic
Some
anymore.
people never love that, but that's the truth.
Cause
So in music.
enough hypocrite in his true that not tell the artist say foolish that him sing.
Too much, yes.
Ellie have problem with me for that. Ellie have problem with me for that. Because one time I tell Ellie say, Ellie, I remember say, anybody who parried me knows say, I love elephant. Me elephant par. Yeah man, elephant. Right through me and him on phone. Hours a night, early morning, everything elephant a come on me yard. You see me? But me I gotta tell you the truth. Every man knows Richie I gotta tell you the truth. I say, well, Ellie, you know, another song here. And him take offense to that. But him never tell me, say him take offense to it. Him tell the next man. And then that problem with me. And me have to tell, man. But
So to still, brother.
you see me and me have to tell. But remember, as when I say, I Ellie this. You hear what I say? I Ellie this. Everybody are going to tell us, I Ellie this. I'm telling you, man, elephant, man. Ellie this, You can't apply with Ellie and well, the greatness this way I talk. Elephant was one of the greatest.
True, that's true, bro.
Oh, yeah, say, man.
No 2 ways about that. Ellie did it.
I'm telling you, that can't rub out.
Yeah, man, Ellie did it, man.
Man, I make it look like Ellie has some little mediocre artist. And
No,
elephant, man,
At
this
some
what
point
I
in time.
remember the things that when me see Ellie do. I want to man.
Ellie did it, man. Ellie did it, bro.
Let me see Ellie right. Me, I'm not a problem, Me, I'm not a problem. A elephant, man, this. One of the greatest thing we come out of Jamaica.
True.
Yeah, man, elephant, man, big up yourself.
True. Somewhere along the line now, you became, I think that was 2014, 2013, 2014.
No way, this I go now.
You became a part of Talk Your Mind.
Yes.
Hit series, man.
Yeah, man, big
Was
thing.
it something that was planned or you just happened to just
I
become a
passed
part
through one
of
day because my daughter got Queens. Them mark up, start a thing when I used to be fat, because I lose weight. So now, me a pass through, wait for my daughter, and a camera come out and I say, me have a bag of things to talk, and me always have something to talk.
Always.
You see me? So comes now. Me just start talk, and the man just start, because me always have a story, You know that?
As a legendary story come out of that.
Up to today, yeah.
So the one that we can tell you for me, the Pampute one with a potential kid. Sugar Miners.
You see that one there, passion of hate me.
Yeah, passion no good?
Me don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Yeah.
Me don't know. But you know, say I love
Danny English and Miss Slow one.
Hey, you know, some guy, this Miss Lou. Miss Lou, this one bigger than you.
So classic stories, brother.
Yes, man.
Sugar Miners story. Take out the passion part there to you say all that, but apart from that, I was there for it. And the singing sweet, brother.
I'm a bridging that.
Sweet story, see?
Remember singing sweet, I'm a bridging, big him up anyway in there.
But I remember though, Conscience, at one point in time,
Right.
did kind of take offense to something.
I remember never meet me, never even did an episode there.
Did say some things.
Walk and talk, say something about conscience, and I me get the bleeding.
But why?
Me no know. But remember again, I me had the lead. Me had the lead.
Yeah.
So I me had the hottest thing. So you have to attack the hat. You understand?
Yeah.
So at them time, them load my visa. So him bring up all them something there and thing. And as I say, me and him good.
Yeah.
Because
Me
me
see him a bun down one place.
LA, down at LA the other
But
day.
yeah, brother,
Yeah, man,
nice
California.
vibration, man.
Yeah, man, me and him, I mean, before that, him shoot the music video, Original Daddy.
Oh,
me
okay.
and my kids, them in it.
Nice, man. I just fun.
Sometimes the male ego kick in and
Yeah.
trust me, it do some things more time. So,
Because I know Pampute the kind of, but we don't
man, me and Pampute great, man. Pampute, baby father and our family, and film family, them never like
they
it.
never like
Because me I say this long time. You see me? So it's like them never like it, because me I say, yo, look a boy in Brazil and a potential kid pitney, you know. Until, whoa. Yeah. You see? So, up to today, man, people believe, man.
Yeah.
And baby mother, you know.
Yeah, man. And me also, I've heard you said also that you never really earn from.
No, man, me not get a dollar. Nobody can say me make a dollar. Because me never go there for go make money. Me I go there wait for my daughter. She there Queens and, you know, right, you wanna done back right there, so.
Yeah.
And as soon as my daughter said, Daddy, I'm ready, me dig off. You understand? So, me never business about no money or no about no YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Them are them first start them something, the podcast business, you know. Them are them first start that with Shadow them, you know.
Great shadow.
Yeah, man, I'm to a big up Shadow. Respect also.
Because what that kind of do too. So we know Richie Feelings as a selector where, you know what I mean, full of vibes, full of style. So we are see Richie, a different vibration and all, brother.
Comedic side of
Comedic
Richard,
side,
right.
man.
Yes, man.
Because a lot of people believe, say, everything Richie said,
Actually,
so it
people look forward. Talk your mind, it's like slap the street. If I just reality show on the street.
Yeah, man, talk about the dance, brother, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Nice,
Some
man.
people can't.
Again, ego mash it up.
Oh.
Yeah, man, ego mash it up. Because I remember say, it did go on.
People don't love him, man.
But I know
You see a lot of people are asked back for.
it can't come back.
Can't come back.
It can't come back. All life gets serious now.
Oh,
we can't run them
true,
joke there again.
True.
Can't run them joke there again. We did a run joke, but then we can't come talk about them artists now. Because two go to that one place and them shoot up my car.
Yeah,
So,
man, take everything personal.
everything not fun. That's the next part of it we miss out on music. No more Professor Nuts not there.
True.
Because remember so we grow, you know. Professor Nuts tell a story.
Story
in music.
man.
Twins of Twins tell. Remember say Twins of Twins are one of the first podcaster.
Right.
Steer it up. Volume 1 come right
Volume
up
1 come
to
up.
20 odd.
True.
You understand? So we are big Twins of Twins like.
That thing again for true, brother.
Tell us something. Curly locks, the vice locks, and the vice locks, and two locks. And what heap of things me learn from them. Two are the most educated youth them in our country.
Supremely talented, man.
You understand? Not like many words where we learn is from them. You understand? Without going to we go to school. I remember the entertainment is a dictionary and is a college and is a, you understand, we can learn. But again, people choose to follow who they want to follow. But them youth there,
Great youth, them, man.
them respect the way for one place, man. Big up
Great
yourself.
youth, them, brother.
Yes,
And so with the talking mind thing, you know, that was you now becoming a star on social media, really.
Right.
And one of the next social media thing where you've been have going is, you know, the friendship with
Scatter. Yeah, man, great youth too. A wicked boy, you know, but you have to big him up. Can't get them man up on a phone, but that's why I have to beat
You
him.
can't get him on the phone.
Yo, them
Try
man-
to call that man
Yeah,
multiple times, man.
As much as all
And I
people
keep
see me
giving up
anymore.
him.
Them have the wicked boy number, man. Me have the wicked boy number, man. Me not call him again. I him have to call me. Move and go from right to Scatter. You know that. If me want to get Scatter attention right now, me just beat him on the internet.
Quick
And him have
and
to
fast
see.
in
Yeah,
turn
man.
up.
So what they want me do, man, with their Bahamas.
Yeah.
You never see that one there?
No, I miss that one there.
Yeah, man, with their Bahamas, man. Me must say, a man get a ticket to Jamaica. Say, I suck out tobacco.
So I suck out tobacco violently.
Violently. I mean, just put up in picture and say, yeah, man, I scatter. But you don't know, as again, when I say scatter them, in respect to all.
Yeah, man, I know scatter your real bridget, man.
Yeah, man.
See?
Really,
And speaking about friendship with Richie Feelings, probably the friendship that has, you know what I mean, been most highlighted is a friendship with Lady Gracie.
The best thing,
Best thing.
the queen, never be about to be my friend that love her.
Yeah.
Warfare right now.
I know that.
Remember, I don't care. Remember, say a lot of people have problem with, or if you have problem with somebody who is loyal to them friend. Or you have, it's like, you see how life stay now, you love your friend, you support your friend, and that becomes a problem. So you see, say, that generation, I don't have no friends.
So we want loyalty.
We are say, well, we are preach loyalty, but we are loyal to.
That's true.
So if me loyal to my friend, no care what, thin and thin. Because sometimes no thick no dead. A thin and thin.
Yeah.
Right? And you go so man have a friend. Why a man if you have a problem with that? Because remember, you know, when I love run go jump ship. It's like, you know, a hungry dog, but anyway him get food at the same I go.
Right.
And when he can't get no food the same God. That's a human being, you know. Them like if we have near hand.
True.
So as soon as the hand lock up so,
Gone.
you're not good. I'm gonna leave you and go to somebody else. And them do everything to get into that person. Me no stay so. Remember I tell you that love grow me.
Right.
Remember love grow me. Remember me no know if it. But me I walk and pick up back. I sell back out of my grandfather yard. Because remember so we used to have I sell liquor. So we take back out there, tell liquor out there and go sell. But I don't know people back who were a thief and I sell back with 10 cents and them stuff. Where they come from this stuff. Yeah man, so Spice. These treat me as Spice. I in a music we meet Spice. And it's like from we meet it's like, you know, she born August and me born August. Them say month have nothing to do with people, but spirit. So me and Spice spirit connect. You understand? Spice is my friend that's people don't know this, but when time she just get pregnant and I have her youth. Me know. When she have a second youth, me know. Like people just feel like say I was last night. And last night, a long time.
Long time.
We and her just never used to apart like no.
Right.
But we and her are always good. But yeah, say man, when then you just have the little girl and she put out one something and say, Dr. Richie, may I keep my party over Sugarman Beach? I say, I don't say everybody looking and a real body that you know.
Yeah.
Come on my party then. So me and her always a war. Because if you watch all episode, it'll talk your mind. Me and her depend it.
I know,
A war.
I see that.
You understand? So, and it just come nothing.
Yeah.
It just more rooted and grounded now.
And you have been her DJ for a long time.
Definitely. I'm a friend this. Remember say a Spice can make a BT, you know. Spice make BT pay me, you know. We go perform 106 and Park. Remember me get contract from 106 and Park, which is BT. And Spice perform. You're not going to want him to tell you. Remember say me have to tell you.
So you have to tell myself remember, you know?
Yeah man, say no member man. Now when me tell you I remember. Tell me I tell you I remember. Yeah,
And
man.
one of the recent high profile thing was the Red Bull culture clash thing again.
Alright, that's
yeah,
another
now
thing. Again, that me I tell you I'm a friend again. Because how you help your friend? On a monetary wise, you know, all the time. Opportunities.
Opportunities, yeah.
So you get an opportunity where your friend give you. You go do your best. Make
Makes
more
sense.
opportunity from that.
Makes
But
sense.
some people don't understand what is an opportunity. Why I think a lot of these guys have problem with all popcorn them? A popcorn life them want. But I think them have problem with the price them. A Spice life them want.
Right.
Anybody will say a problem with the artist, or the artist mean and the artist this and that, the artist that. If the artist give opportunity and carry you got 5 Caribbean island, 5 link you supposed to make over there.
True. Makes sense.
So when the artist goes over and tell you say one got the 6 one, you tell him say you can't go because you make a link over one of them places. You get the opportunity. So take your opportunity. Make something yourself. Make when him come back, you open a cook shop over there or something. And you him come buy from. Because him go promote you now.
Right.
But they don't want that. They want to buy car like the artist, dress like the artist, buy same cologne like the artist. So they must the artist like you want. But you're not going to hear them say that.
They're
But
not
that is
saying.
nothing but the truth.
Say, where are some other places you have gone with Spice to?
Israel,
Israel.
Jerusalem got the praying wall. Me and Spice go pray at the praying wall and me I pray for her and pray for her and pray for her. But Go to man, write up my whole of my family, them, and write up all the people I love on one piece of paper. Every time I put my wallet, drop out.
Yeah.
I'm going to push out some other people prayer and push in my own. I know them box up, but my prayer too. Because I'm mind of the prayer while I listen up. Yeah, man.
So Israel, where else do you go here?
We got Israel, we got Germany, we got France, we got Amsterdam, we got Italy, we got one place named Toulouse. In Europe, we got Sweden.
Toulouse, France.
See? We got Sweden, we got Malta. See? We got most of the Caribbean island them. You see, we got England, we got Canada. You see me? We got all about Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
You see me? We got Africa. You see me? So,
Sound good.
yeah, man, everywhere, man. Remember, spice is a priority. You know what I mean? Remember, spice is a priority to me. Because a friend to you, Bojo teach me this. A friend to you is not a friend in front of your face.
True.
A friend to you is a friend behind your back.
Yes, sir. That's the most important part of friendship.
All right.
That.
That me a dealing. So, you don't know the friendship go.
And speaking about friendship, Fat Bojo.
Lord have mercy. A big request goes on to all Carlisle crew.
Oh, yeah, the Gargamel. Develop
thing.
that.
Over Stone Love again.
Friendship,
Stone Love.
okay.
I'm going to go around and look song. Go around and say, Junglist, we here about here, you know. We have some song around here from the Carlisle label. Play them and tell me which one you like. I mean, I bought you this, we go check, you know.
Yeah.
God, you know. Oh, yeah, I say, man, that man here with them rank to Bob Marley. I don't hear them put them on next to Bob Marley. I bought you alone, I see them put there. You see me? And Bembe, would you support me? I keep Richie Feelings Friday.
Oh, yeah, Richie Feelings Friday. I remember that.
Yeah, they say, me I tell you, say,
That's enough things, man.
enough things, man.
Yeah, man.
Richie Feelings Friday. And them lock me up on Friday, so my teeth light. Who me call?
Bojo.
First man, me call a weep out.
Oh, Father Paul.
Father Paul say, I don't know the police them like that. I don't know them police them. I say, all right. Come remember Friday this, you know.
Right.
I get locked up on Friday.
Monday this.
And Monday before me, I got fired the next day.
Saturday.
I say, go so bam. Bojo. Bojo say, Richard, what go on? To my Saturday, I'm Sabbath. I say, them lock me up to my teeth light, you know. What? Where? Then I'm told, I come in. So them box me up to you, know, and say, what? Reach down the man. And my big pretty liar, man. Big liar come down there on a Friday night. Them start talking to me different down there. And them say, Bojo come and my liar come and everything. And them I say, yo, I only let my client down here, you know. Remember, I never know about this jailhouse thing. Light, you know. But Sean Paul sing about say, give me the light, you know. Yo.
Yeah.
Remember one big book I see in the station, so I the biggest hardcover book I ever seen in life. Yeah, man, Bojo, Osaba man come and them free me up. And everything when it come on to Bojo. Richie Feelings involved. All in that. Bojo tell me, say, man, carry me up on tour. I'm come carry me up on tour. So if a friend I go do for you, or if a friend say, I'm going to do something for you and him come do it, that's the opportunity.
And as we said that to you, were also, you know, whilst Bojo was incarcerated, every chance, opportunity you get, you were always doing things to kind of keep the
Yes, the name.
fresh.
Yes, man. Because again, we have to do these things. Because remember, we could have said we have a DJ like anybody and go on like anybody, but that side there, Bojo, because Bojo is a jovial brother, you know. But people see one side, but Bojo love the foolishness. Yeah, man, that man love the foolishness. So me, I want to say, Richard, what you do? I take my career. You see me, I try to select sound.
Oh, yeah. See,
So-
I do that with you.
Yeah, man, so you don't know him come out, and when him used to have enough talk and thing, and him come out and him say, listen me, we are going to go up on tour, even early in COVID, would you make me go play for a whole heap of people, as in, yo, some people are come from foreign and they want a DJ.
Oh.
They don't know what Richie Feelings is. You're going to show them what Richie Feelings. I'm introduced me to Rap Nation people, them, Jersey people, them come. And them they don't have them private place. And I go down, they go play and them people, they request me all 5-6 times and pay me. Enough US. And I Bojo make that happen.
Yeah.
You hear me say? Because them don't know
Enough
me.
US.
I mean, them have to tell us enough US. Me have to tell about the US.
Tell me, man.
Yeah, man. So him goes to Obama and say, yeah, man, Richard. Them say them love it. So him say, I came up on tour, COVID come. That nobody go on. Because I remember say when Long Walk to Freedom just started, I go to Bahamas. I'm going to play at Bahamas and all my life sweet now. Remember me have 2 friends and them up on top. Remember me never jumped in a ship. So Sunfest come. Spice I performed the night before. Spice respond to me that night there. Next night, Buja responds to me. So once my friend them the private take me, alright. Then me and them sit on the red carpet, man.
Yeah, that is a joke.
Alright, right, true. We never fried if you Ashanti them and all of them.
Yeah, BT what they in Sky Blue. So
Oh, you mean?
step in.
I step in Jerusalem. Like a step in razor.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, I'm 2 friends them, man. I can't do anybody with a group if you friend them. Yes, man.
Nice, brother. You are on the road with the queen of the dancehall and
The king of reggae.
modern king of reggae.
Definitely.
Yeah, so one of the 2 man I'm
Arenas my performing now.
Zero reggae music.
Yes,
Kalanji
man.
and Bojo.
Yes, man. Arenas, Barclays, UBS.
Even with them back, even when they might call, oh, so you play
Before. Yeah, man. Play before.
So the general sitting and make sure it's
go up and drink champ.
there.
Remember them go up and drink champs. And I'm at them say my tour kicks off. I'm gonna use Friday because I like what he did and God did. You know? I'm gonna bring Richie Feelings from Jamaica. Play some hardcore dancehall reggae music. Remember, him said that pan drinks champ and the world see it. You know what I mean? So opportunity that to me.
Opportunity, brother. As you said earlier,
Opportunity you get. So you if you do what you do with the opportunity, enough you lead me. You don't give me the platform already.
And brother, you say funny. So it look now, and this is how it looks. Listening to you and observing, like all the years of being Richie Feelings, being true to your friends, really and truly now, you reap the rewards.
Definitely.
Of that, bro.
God is good. We can't complain. If you ever complain, God sin with. We cannot complain.
A 2 good friend not fear, brother.
Yes, man. But remember, it not just happen so.
Yeah.
Remember, say a friendship I could get tested many times. Because you got people that carry news and people that say this and that and that. But your friend will always be a friend. Because remember, enough are going to come for opportunity. Enough are going to come stretch out the man. We know when to take a back page. We know when it's our moment.
Right. That's important.
You understand? Just like on the BET Awards. Our moment. Because remember, I was a DJ there and Spice is performing. So, Richie Feelings and Spice is on the stage. So, she take fair moment out there and me get my moment. So, she created an opportunity for me. And the world see that.
And you deserve that to my bro.
Yeah, then I work feet, it just come some man. You see me, so we have to big up your friend then, man.
Yeah, and one of the things too, so being a selector, very important, you're in the space, but what you have also managed to do is to keep yourself very relevant with your foray into social media.
Yes.
Not a vlogger, but
No, not a vlogger.
You're in and out, keeping the thing fresh.
Now, we went to Rotterdam Splash in 2022. And I see people that touch Spice and I faint. See? Because enough people go on like say Spice and nobody, But it's true they're not going away. They're going to always talk with them one talk. And that's fine. You understand? But me going at the world, I'm see. And there was a lady who came backstage, a white lady. And the lady said, come a play before Spice come on. 40,000 people. And me a play. And the lady came backstage and she said, I didn't know you was a DJ. I don't have Instagram, but I always see you come up on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
So I'm a video them she see. So people think me a blogger. And then Bojo goes up and said to me one time, say, Richard, I don't want you to take this as a disrespect. But I realize you're transitioning into a blogger. Remember, you're a DJ. A music you play. And just say it's constructive criticism this. But you never understand social media.
Right.
Remember, now having no visa for so long, me have to keep something to get relevant. So people have to still see it. So your name.
Yeah.
I go on.
When you lost the visa in the first place?
I go up there to look for my visa. And I get a paper say me in a money laundering. And controlled substance.
Yeah.
Me laugh at first because I say I joke this.
Yeah.
Because I don't know nothing about this. Lose my visa. And I just lose my visa and I realize that some people may think my friend them disappear. So comes you learn now. So I have to lose my visa. Because if I never lose my visa, I'm going to find myself. If you know, say, you have to know to deal with people. And it's not everybody who you say your friend is really a friend. You say your friend, you know, but they don't share the same sentiments.
Right.
You know what I mean? And a lot of speculation, them talk all kind of things.
As you know, them
You understand?
brother.
Me know the truth. Them created a lie. See me? So now, we have back everything.
I realize, man.
And we all about. When we say we have back everything, we have back everything and more.
England and about.
We have back everything and more. You hear me say?
And more.
But now, the access is limited. Because they no longer have the access.
As it should be.
Right? They no longer have the access. Because we know who glad and we know who not glad. Remember when I lose my visa, I struggle to send my daughter to university. And I never go ball. Because remember again, as a king, you're not supposed to beg. You're not bow. You hold it. And here when your grandparents used to tell us, if you learn to suck salt through wood spoon. Remember granny me grow with. I never come see my grandfather beg. You understand? So, you're not going to hear the boy say, Richie call him and beg him a gas money. You're not going to hear some boy talk about me tell us, say, yo, my daughter want this and my daughter want that because it's not your daughter. So, me will take the shame from my youth then, but your youth, them not supposed to see you cry. Your youth, them not supposed to see you weak because you are them shield and buckler. And you are them wall. So, them supposed to can lean on you at all times. You see me? So, I saw me view my thing and value my thing. So, now, we go through the rough stages of like, everybody have something them go through, you know.
Everybody.
You understand? A 7-time rise and fall, them say. And we hold it. And as we say, we life get reconstructed in a way where, the right way they know. Limited access people have. We build more bond with the family. When we youth them still with a 28-year-old. You understand? When our father is great. You understand? And we have with people them where we have as close friends and we have close associates also. And we know they act like and they go on like them because now them can't pretend now. You understand? So, God is good.
Two and love first.
Yes.
World immortal.
Biggest thing.
Thank the Lord.
Yes.
Tell me 5 dub plates. But whenever you put on the turntable in a Stone Love journey.
Stone Love sound will play every time. That's a one. And I say, and Mama, Stone Love sound a murderer.
Bojo.
That's a 2.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Remember, sound a go dead and the world we tell. Stone Love yet a gun name send. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Remember say that half a play. And when you jump a puna on the rhythm, remember you have Capleton and Bojo medley. You understand? A 4 that.
4.
Remember you tell me say 5, you know.
5, right?
Remember you tell me say 5.
Right.
Right? So you have me give you Bounty Killer and me have to give you back the Turbo Punani rhythm again. See, Boom Bye Bye is a thing where I have to play. Because remember Turbo Punani, that Boom Bye Bye is a thing where I have to play. And Tapa Tap used to be, and it still is, a money song.
Money song.
So, when a man don't want to gain money when him go somewhere, man.
Official.
We don't know why them say them on top of the top. And we never hear, but them in the halls, in a shop.
Bad.
So 5 that me give, me can go on and on and on.
Stone Love we are talking about.
Still we are talking about. So, them 5 songs there.
In your personal catalog, you know. Tell me, list me 5 tune, 5 dub plate.
My
where
dub plate.
Your dub. Where you have on that touch. Turntable, dance mashup.
Me have the same Punani rhythm where a special occasion them they come out.
A special occasion.
I remember me have all of them budget there.
Okay, cool.
You understand?
Here, makes sense.
So, all of them budget there where tap. See me? And we have custom budget, we have some cartel. You see me? We have some cartel where them so much that's me don't want to start.
You understand, man.
You understand?
Understand.
So we have that where that have to play. And we have whole heap of Assassin.
As you should.
Understand where Assassin, somebody dub them when me have from Assassin in a must play. But them have to play. You see me? Because in that era there.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Yeah, man, have to play. See me? We have some whole heap of I do on too. You understand where them have to play? So, them there, when you go for them there, yes, man.
I know you play Stone Love.
Yeah.
You don't really get bigger than that.
No, you can't go no bigger than that.
Unless you have talk about the Addies and the bass of this and the jar. I use a juggling selector of sorts. So
yeah, that are in a clash world. That are in a clash
yeah,
world.
definitely. Is there another sound where you ever sit down and look on and say, you know, say, if I did all that sound that could then be a monster sound in a space?
No, I wouldn't say that because after playing Stone Love. But Bass Odyssey is one of my favorite sounds. King of These and Bass Odyssey. A sound where I love.
Big
When I
machine,
say,
man.
when I say I love, in love with them sound there. You understand? So, I know Squingy personally. Damien Delingy, them and my brethren. Lexi, them and Keith, them and Father Keith, them. You understand? So, even the Baxman, them on the sound. Country Spring, them and all of them. Because remember, Charlie Blacks was a man from Bass Odyssey.
Definitely.
So we know Charlie Blacks. We know Charlie Black before that he used to play one song. I remember after Warlord, them with name. Come a Town. Play one song. I remember what them name. For Warlord, them with name. As they reach a town and play down a passa and rush Mataran.
Okay.
Yeah, man. I remember no Mataran I kid, so
Right.
if you rush Mataran. Yeah, man. So I couldn't go play no more sound after I left Stone Love. Couldn't do it. Can't left the early Marta Langana. Say I start over back. You have to start over back with yourself.
And you would have seen all of the big sound them back in the days.
Everything.
You would have come through when sound
ranks,
system
yeah, man,
was
come through the ranks.
Real deal. See? What would you say is your favorite class sound? I know you say like Addis and you like Bass Odyssey. If you was to choose what, you pay your money for that. That's what turn up and watch a sound that kill sound.
Anytime you see Bass Odyssey and King of These a clash, me have to do that. I just sleep the last time. Yeah, because you know the song them with them have. But a song when I not listen yet, me hear them, but me not listen to them is Soul Supreme.
It was a pretty bad sound.
Remember I said Jakes right now him is the man.
Selector.
You understand? Jakes is the
Bad
man
selector.
right now where him have everything where me like. When him goes up and climb up and something and talks up something. Cause you see Trooper history one different history. Trooper and Panther take some chance in a music with young artists. I don't think them get enough respect.
Which is true. Especially
Panther. Panther now vice you no play yo.
True.
Panther now vice you no play yo.
So true.
Cause remember you know.
Panther take the most chance with young artists in
Panther of course.
Because one of the things too why Panther they have to do that because Panther never really have the resources where
Him
someone
nah get the song them. So again now, then so when Bounty Killer never sing a song with Trooper, so him got 5 Bounty Filler. Cause no people don't know say he have a Bounty Filler, you know.
We do.
Yeah man, Bounty Filler man from down a Franklin Town man.
GX, bad selector. I think me and Chulup say the same thing the other day. They say
Yeah, man.
him really admire GX as a selector in a space. What your favorite class selector? Who are your favorite class selector? Right, any era of the music. Like,
Mataran.
Magic.
Remember say Mataran, I say Chua Fimat in a crowd, you know. Then I say, this is the big bad mighty King of These.
Bad thing.
Remember King of These, you know.
Yeah, man.
Come a Jamaica, come kill Bass Odyssey, you know.
1994.
And then I say, oh, what this? What kind of man this come kill Bass Odyssey? We have the most song.
Yeah.
See me? And then Chupa kill him back. Cause remember say, I think I was 10,000 and one of them money them in a clash for one of them time.
really? Okay.
With Mataran and Mataran. Give me the money, I'm throw it in the crowd of a Portmore.
Okay.
And Chupa goes up and lick him with a stone. Yeah, man. So we know we love the music so much that we like everybody have a difference. Mighty Crown.
Bad sound.
When you talk about Mighty Crown come create an impact in the
Bad
space
sound.
where it can't
Bad
rub out.
sound.
Can't
Yeah,
rub
man.
out.
Bad sound. Definitely bad sound.
Right now, like how you say Dynamic, they are going with them things as African sound. Yeah, man, you have to big them up. I know Sentinel over one part, I do them thing.
Yes.
Yeah, man,
Bad
remember,
sound from Germany.
remember, we never stop listening to the whole of the clash them. We can't stop because that's our culture.
Yes. Juggling, so we know Stone Love was the pinnacle of juggling, yeah? Outside of Stone Love, which are the sound that them pay money for God. Stand up and watch. A juggle.
We love listen to Renaissance, big up Jazzy T and Delano,
Renaissance.
Dr. Dre. You don't know.
Mad thing.
So me Axdale and Pepsi them and the whole of them.
Yeah.
Renaissance. Anyway, Renaissance, string up and you say Jazzy T and Delano.
Ready.
You know, say a juggle. Me love that.
Which rhythm are your favorite rhythm for cut dub plates, man?
Superstar, Bada Bada.
Okay, cool.
Because Bada Bada is a rhythm where anybody can. Once you can DJ,
Yeah, man. Yeah.
yeah man, once you can DJ, Bada Bada rhythm is a rhythm where.
Bada. Go so bada.
Yeah man. Big up Ward 21, I'm a friend of that. I'm a friend
Yeah,
of that.
yeah, Rum Blood now, so you
That me I tell you, man,
man.
Rum Blood got dance, man. Anyway, me I play Rum Blood. Then a Rum Blood bring that pretty girl, him come a Feelings Friday.
Come on, Feelings Friday.
Yeah, man, Rum Blood, man. Big him up, man. Anyway, him there.
What your favorite artist, a cut pan dub plate?
Cartel.
Adi?
Cartel.
Yeah?
Right? You have Cartel and then Assassin. Right? Because you know, Buju not gonna run on the fast rhythm them. So Buju,
Right.
once you give Buju any all rhythm, Buju love all rhythm. You see me? Cartel will sing by any rhythm. That's one thing. Once any rhythm you give Cartel, you might think, nah, say nah, do it first. You test it first. So Cartel, I'm favorite artist who vice man dub play.
You would have heard we say Ally sound. What the sweetest sound in sound system you ever hear string up in a land?
Well, Stone Love was always the pinnacle of the thing. Because a Stone Love, everybody used to have here, come look what Stone Love I use, which amp rack, Stone Love, where name, what kind of QAC amps this, what kind of this. We boys, that man used to have here, rub out. The name them. People do that. So when you go start going around and things that a wrong name. You see me? People hide it from you.
Okay.
Yeah, man. And then the next sound we used to love were Clean, Travelers.
Travelers.
Big up Flower anyway.
Quite a few people have said that.
Yeah, man. Travelers. Yeah, man. So Al Pacino is a man where him learn it from the great. You see me? Him learn it from the great.
Yeah. And as you say, the recording artist part, I think, you know, so we know dance class 1 and 2. But you do some other songs, you know, part,
Yeah,
and
man.
you do quite a few songs with Magic.
Me do a song named Last Sex Symbol with Mataran.
Yeah, Last Sex Symbol. Oh, Romish.
For Romish, right? Me do I Love to Dance for Mario C.
Oh, okay.
See, me do Genki Deska for Samurai that are in Japan.
I think you do them alone with the whole Beble
See me,
squad.
that a Chrome, Mad Collab.
Ah, okay. Mad
You see
Collab.
me? So that are 4.
Yeah, all the line that I
All
have
the line,
Magic.
I didn't who reading that again. I don't remember who reading that, but a 5 song that.
Sell off.
See me? No, him never upon that.
No, I know Magic on the bar sell off. I said that one of the
Sell Off.
tune.
Yeah, man.
Talk about your house is another tune. And so another tune, Mr. Brother.
I
I
would-
catalog my small, my lad.
Remember, say me and a real artist, me a two artist. I just do all of that for fun.
Yeah, me know it's just a fun,
I
man.
just do all of that for fun, because I can DJ better than enough artists, you know.
I agree.
I can DJ better than enough artists, but I like entertain the crowd. Because they say if you're going to make a transition, you can't do both.
Right.
So you have to just know, say, oh, you have to go around and make hungry killer on a DJ thing. I just stick to selecting thing. You understand?
Yeah, make a decision.
Because once you go to bank, that is why a heap of man don't make the full transition. A Charlie Blacks alone make it and it work. No more money it work for them if you run go back run at one place.
Matter around that.
So
Try
they-
a fight.
Because he take it over fully. He make a money off it.
A Charlie alone make it.
Charlie alone make the transition and never look back. Yes,
So
man.
true. Father Richard, you have, been in this space for a long time. As you really get a break 2001 on a big sound, and we're in 2025.
Relevancy.
Yeah, 24 years and going.
Yes,
And I
sir.
play sound even before that.
Yeah,
and you have
man.
managed to not only maintain your name, but also improve upon your brand and expand your brand, brother.
Definitely.
Nice.
Branding is a big thing.
Yeah, man, and despite the challenges down the years, I want to hold a selector rise and fall.
True.
You have, ride the different obstacles
never-
and challenges,
yes.
and you're there, see me, brother. Firm,
Strong. Brother,
take on the
strong.
world.
Stronger than before. Or
Take
Jack
it on the
say,
world.
I can give you more.
I am stronger than before, you know?
Yes,
yeah, man. And you, brother, you do it. You play Stone of 6 years, and you have been on your own, and you're still going. The alliances that you have formed, the alliances, remember one time them say a Gaza selector.
Yeah, man, them say all of them something that me never say it, and them say it. Me never say it yet, you know.
You never say it.
Me never say that yet.
There's so much. Every time I bring up something, remember something else. Yeah,
And that me I tell you, man.
but
Them say all of
brother,
that, man.
for what you do with the music, as me say, you bring your own. I know Rory was early influence and Magia your idol, but you also take all of them little things there and build your own
Yeah, man,
brand,
we-
your own
yes,
thing,
man.
your own package, brother.
Yes,
You
man.
understand what I say? And keep the thing going, bro. We respect and we admire that. I appreciate that, man. I one of the man who been a do the thing, brother. Yeah, and a brag, man.
Yeah, man, they want to play everywhere, man. Remember, say, every one of the selectors that you mentioned, I played on parties with Billy Slaughter.
Billy.
I played and partied as Richie Feelings with Radigan. I've played and partied with Trooper, Panther, Firelings, all of them
All of the greats
as a
there.
freelance DJ.
Yeah.
So everyone who's in music, me go to Japan go play amongst Mighty Crown. You understand? So we play amongst the best. Because being in the music for so long and still current
Very much so, brother.
is a very, it's not easy. It's not easy, and you know why I am still here. I haven't lost the passion,
That's important, brother.
and now we're selective in where we play. You're not gonna hear me tell nobody say, me I ask you to put me on something. Me did music too long. Yes, out of sight, out of mind, but me not out of sight no more. You see me now, cause even though we used to go live every day to keep ourselves relevant, now when you see we there
Somewhere,
so you have the visuals now.
True.
You understand? Because without the visuals, them never see what you do. Because them just used to see we in a car and on the music. So them used to think we are bloggers. But now, see we there all about.
Brother.
We book out.
Book out. As it should be. You earn it, man. You deserve it.
Yes,
brother.
man. God is good.
In a tech, look a bit of work to sustain a career as a selector so long.
Especially freelance.
Freelance. Yeah?
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. But bro, pick up yourself, man, and go and do the thing. And you know what I mean? Bad selector from them time till this time. Entertainer, man.
Yeah, man.
Real entertainer.
I mean, Tristan Palmer,
important.
entertainment is a form of enjoyment. So the fight at the land.
Dance, man. With the
Enjoy the
feelings,
scene.
man. Fast daily.
And big respect.
It's a joy, man. Big up yourself and retire, man.
Missy and Puffy. Big up on yourself. On the Father love on you.
My thing.
Lord of mercy.
And you have done a wonderful job raising the youth center, man.
That is it.
You can look on you as an inspiration as a father, same way. You say,
Yes,
you say?
man, and an influence.
Man, big up yourself, man.
Every youth need them father, you hear? Every youth need them father.
For promoters, when I want part, when I want place,
Yeah.
where, you know what I mean, we not reach it, we want to find you, where you go already, but different promoter, how them find you?
On Instagram, Richie Feelings 1. On Facebook, Richie Feelings. On Twitter, Richie Feelings. So Richie Feelings right across the board. Once you look by Instagram, all of the link them there, the phone number, everything. You understand? So any platform you go on, TikTok, everything. Because you don't know we're current with everything. We now have the thing we name Snapchat. That's a girl thing.
So
We now
don't
Snap.
get no feelings if you're not Richie.
Remember that.
Mad thing.
Lord have mercy.
Teach them. Always make sure the message reach them.